No need to panic just yet, but be ready to move very quickly. We've spoken of this now for over a year. And what was the date I gave you? September, October, mainly October. Prepare for a yen carry trade unwind crash. A crash bigger than any other crash we've ever seen before in history. Now, right now, I'm over $500,000 in margin in a very risky asset, SpaceX. The other half of my portfolio is in Coca-Cola and with Virgin Galactic and crypto. So I couldn't be in a more precarious, risky position other than perhaps Coca-Cola. But the carry trade is going to unwind. The market is going to crash, and we're going to give you the exact details, the deep dive from our award-winning world-class newsletter. It's number 2 in the bestseller list on Substack. We are going to talk to you about the yen carry trade this morning, hours before we have a launch from SpaceX. Expect huge volatility on the market. Expect massive amounts of trades from me. I'm going to be trading in and out of my portfolio over $1 million today. We've got $500,000 in SpaceX, nearly 700,000 actually in total. I'll share that with you on the screen. We've got a $500,000 overall in Coca-Cola, and we're going to be in and out and trading it very aggressively today. All of my trade setups are on Discord and YouTube Electrum, but we're going to give you a deep dive this morning on the yen carry trade. Bank of Japan is on the very brink, and they've confirmed it. We've got all the details for this morning to prepare you for an inevitable market crash. Remember, crashes are opportunity. You don't need to fear anything in life. Must be prepared for the ups, the downs. Always be ready for any scenario. Whatever happens, you are ready. Like a spider, always ready. It's very, very important. Today's live event is one of the most important videos, live events I've ever done on the channel, because this could take you from having a boom year to a total destruction and lose everything. Now, I am all in a margin. If I don't play this properly, I could get a margin call and be forced to sell when down. Nobody wants that for anybody. And that is exactly how the carry trade will unwind, by those that are over leveraged in American assets. Going to cover all of it on the show today. It's a big one. Tap the like button if you like live events where we share with you everything and prepare you for everything. Also, consider subscribing. If you are watching later, you can skip through this part and get straight into it. But this is a deep dive special on the Bank of Japan carry trade unwind. It's about to get very real here on the show, and I'm going to share everything with you. Let's get ready for the Bank of Japan carry trade deep dive. It's showtime. Here we go. An investor's dream or nightmare? Well, a day trader, a scalp trader, a high frequency trader like myself loves days like this. Prepare for an incredibly volatile day. In fact, 24 hours. Over the next 24 hours, you're going to see me trade in and out of several $1 million of trades. We have just under $1 million in play at the moment. Here is 690,000 on my main account, plus my Roth, plus my ISA and Robinhood UK. We're touching $1 million and we're going to be in and out of it very quickly. $500,000 in margin. We're all in on Coca-Cola. We're all in on SpaceX. All margin's been used. All outside borrowing's been used right before a yen carry trade unwind. This is going to be a very, very volatile day. We're going to give you a deep dive of everything that you need to know around the yen carry trade. This is real. We've spoke about this now for way over a year. We've told you there's a crash coming. Many people have asked, why am I in so heavily then with Virgin Galactic, SpaceX, all these assets, margin, when you're expecting a crash? Wouldn't you be sat out? No. This is how you make money, but you have to be ready to move very, very quickly, and you have to be in the positions that you don't mind staying in if suddenly something crashes and breaks, because it will. And when it does, it's going to be fast, it's going to be violent, and it will take no prisoners whatsoever. So let's get into a deep dive this morning from the yen carry trade. So let me share with you my positions, where I stand right now, full disclosure. So I am out of short-term treasuries. That's where you go when things are overbought or oversold and there's no real opportunity. You just park your money and you earn yourself 4% to do nothing. Not bad at all, right? The S&P 500, well, it's the best place to be 50% of the time. The rest of it, it's not. If you're not a trader, then you just simply want to be part of a monthly investing cycle. Then maybe fine. You can simply buy the S&P every month. But if you want to be a high frequency trader and beat the market like I have done 3 years, 4 years in a row now, 3 and 4x, then the S&P is a rubbish place to be right now, because that's going to be hit one of the assets the most. Anyway, the S&P has gone sideways now for a month. It's gone really nowhere, and we sold at the top. We warned it was going nowhere. Of course, the government will tell you it's the best ever, and we're all-time highs. Well, we are all-time highs, at least we were. But that is true. But we've gone sideways for a while. We're only up like 8% on the year. It's a below-average year now. Nothing special. We always hit highs. It's not an achievement to say the S&P is at an all-time high every 6 months. That's inevitable. Not inevitable, but it generally does that. But anyway, the S&P is not a good place to be. Coca-Cola, well, very different story. I reported last night on my Discord event, my private event, look out for 2-3 o'clock in the morning. I shared it, I was up, I set my alarm, and I was right. Again, speaking to the banks, institutions, we now know who's behind the hacking deal. Now, there are people still online who don't even know a hacking happened with Fairlife at Coca-Cola. They don't even know about it. It's not even on mainstream media. We already know who the hackers were, and we've reported it. And we've told you which banks, which institutions are going to buy it at what time. Last night, 3 o'clock in the morning. We actually shared that with you live on Discord yesterday. Told you who it was. I've shared it, who it was. We know who the hackers were. We know the cost behind it. We know the ransom deal. And I've shared as much as I'm legally allowed to share on air for you. But there you go. It's happened, and institutions are moving. I told you at 3 o'clock, 2 or 3 o'clock this morning it would happen, and it did. And that's where you want to be. Bit too late now, but it's already up, and we'll be taking profit from that in a minute and paying off off our margin and getting ready for a bigger crash with SpaceX, because there will be a bigger crash with SpaceX. Even though I'm in 500,000, I want to double down and buy 1 million. So let's go to SpaceX right now. Now, SpaceX is now down at 122. Anything under, in fact, I can't tell you, of course, that's for our Discordians. We don't want to be front run. Algorithms now front run everyone's pre-order trades. When you put an order in, they know what you're ordering. They watch social media, all of it for pre-trades. We don't do any of that stuff. It's all done privately on Discord and YouTube Electrum. But you know I'm about to double down and buy more. Up to $1 million could be bought today on SpaceX. It's all because of the carry trade unwind and the launch tomorrow. Pumps and dumps all over the place. But if you understand it, if you have your finger on the pulse, you can win. So there's SpaceX, and that really is it. Now, Virgin Galactic, I warned everybody not to chase last night. People didn't. Some retail decided to chase it. It's down today. The big money is waiting on the sidelines. Knew this was coming, waiting for a much better opportunity to buy back into Virgin Galactic. We keep making money from it. We control the stock. We have the biggest retail investors in the world in a consortium where we jump on this at the right time. And now couldn't be a worse time. Anyway, so let's go. That's my positions. That's where I'm at. I'm fully invested. I've got up to just under $1 million total with what's here, the Roth, the ISA, and the Robinhood UK. So let's get straight into the carry trade deep dive unwind for you. It's a big one today. So here it is. Let me share it on the screen. There's our friend, look, from the Bank of Japan. Now I'm going to make it a little bit clearer so it pops up a little bit more for you. So if I zoom into here, it'll be a bit, there you go, a little bit bigger for you. So this is a deep dive into what Japan have just done and said. Now, we told you they were going to do this ahead of time. We told you they would do this a year ago. We told you it would come in October. This is our deep dive, just been created. It's brand new, not seen before. You won't find this information on X and Reddit and anywhere else. They'll have versions of this because they use our channel for media. We are now mainstream media. Vaz today is interviewing all the CEOs in Farnborough Air Show, the biggest air show in the world, before the public are even invited to attend the air show, alongside Sky News, the BBC, ITV, CNBC, Fox, and all the rest of it. We are there on the ground with the CEOs. Vaz was live before the show today, right outside Archer Aviation's temporary building. Anyway, deep dive, Japan just hinted it will hike faster, and that is everyone's problem. That is everyone's problem, and we're going to show you exactly why, what it means, and be prepared, because if you're not prepared for this, you are about to lose everything. I can guarantee you one thing: I'm not going to get margin called. I'm going to be out before it. I'm going to make a ton of money from it, and all of my Discordians are. Here we are in our Coca-Cola position. For some reason, it's not loading, but there you go. Try that again. Let's try that again, shall we? All right. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Coca-Cola is on the way up, and we're about to take some major profits from it, but not just yet. First of all, we've got to talk about this. So the deep dive, Bank of Japan. There is the current governor of the Bank of Japan. Two things happened within hours of each other overnight. While you were sleeping, we were up. 3 o'clock in the morning, I told you money would come out of risk on. It did, and it would go onto defensive. It did. You saw a huge pop on SpaceX and Coca-Cola, and then SpaceX sell off and run into Coca-Cola. I've just shared those trades with you live on the screen. I was up late at night. I shared it all on Discord. Now, if you want all of my trades 24/7, if you want to know what's going on before anybody even notices it, if you want to know what's going on before social media copies our information and reports it to you and then skews it all around, join me on Discord. We allow 2 people a day to join. It's a very, very exclusive club. So 2 things happened within hours of each other overnight, and together they are the biggest macro story of the week. I would go further and say of the year. What this stands for and what this actually means is everything. Everything to everything. So First, the yen slid past the 163 per dollar, its weakest level against the dollar since 1986. And we can all remember what happened in 1986. Then, this morning, Bloomberg reported that the Bank of Japan officials are open to raising interest rates faster than the once every 6 months pace markets had assumed. No assumption from me. We told you, we warned you, we prepared for it. We traded in and out of the S&P. We're not sitting there like a bunch of idiots waiting for the market to just always go up because that's what our granny said or some idiot on social media said. It's not the case. And Bloomberg were way behind the curve. And remember, when I say Bloomberg are behind the curve, they literally are always, because they can't tell you the market is going to crash. It's now policy. And when I say it's policy, I mean it's policy. CNBC and Bloomberg in the big crash when we had the big housing crisis, before that, they would talk about it. Their sponsors didn't like it. The commercials didn't like it. The viewers need it. They're not there for what you need. They're there to sell commercials and make money. They don't like it. They now have people like Tom Lee tell you it's a buying opportunity. Keep you watching. Keep you engaged. Keep watching the stupid commercials. Talking about stupid commercials, how many stupid commercials and halftime shows did we have at the World Cup this year for the first time? Thank you, America, for bringing commercials and bloody nonsense to the beautiful game. Let's get rid of that. It's never existed before, and let's get rid of it. We don't want it. We don't want commercials. We don't want nonsense. We want the facts, the game of football, and the game of investing. So Bloomberg are now telling you that there is an issue, but they can't tell you there's going to be a crash. Bloomberg reported the Bank of Japan officials are open to raising rates faster than once every 6 months had assumed. No assumption from me. I've been telling you for ages they've been going to do it, and they have been doing it quietly. We know because we've been covering the Bank of Japan rate decisions every time it happens. At midnight, 3 o'clock in the morning, Sensei's been up doing it for us. So there you go. Precisely because that weak yen is pushing up inflation. Yes, inflation is going up. Trump will tell you inflation's coming down, everything's amazing, everything's brilliant, the best ever. But is it really? Do you feel inflation's coming down? No. Is things getting cheaper? No, of course they're not. The war is literally, if we carry on, going to literally bankrupt America. The amount of debt we're spending on this war, which is going absolutely nowhere, in fact, going worse every day. So be careful of that. That sounds like a local Japan problem. It is not. It's a global problem. Japan is the cheap money tap for the entire global financial system. And the last time the Bank of Japan surprised markets on rates in the summer of 2024, stocks from Tokyo to New York had their worst day in years. It's not a matter of if. It's not a matter of maybes. It is a matter of when. And I can tell you when, and I've said for a year and a half. How do I know? Because the banks know. The institutions know. We know what comes next. Everyone knows what comes next. Now, of course, some people will turn it all around and tell you it's great. It's great. And XRP is going to boom and be the savior of the day. One particular guy who's got all his money in it and he's about to lose it all, but keeps telling everybody that XRP would have been $100 by December the 31st. That never happened. But don't worry, he makes money from charging you custodian fees because he tells you he can make you money on your XRP if you give it to him. And people literally do. People literally believe what this guy says. The biggest charlatan and scammer that has ever walked the face of the earth since Sam Bankman-Fried. He's just down the road from me. Despicable human. But don't worry, he's getting rich while you're going to lose all your money. So what just happened? Pay attention to the order of the news because the order is the story. Overnight, while you were all sleeping, I wasn't. I was up. I was covering it, and I even predicted it. I told you at 3 o'clock this morning there would be a rotation, and there was. You saw SpaceX run up, and then dump, and you saw Coca-Cola keep going up because it will today. And I'm ready to take a trade. I'm watching it very, very closely. Live on the show, you could see Coca-Cola going up, and we are ready to move. And we're also ready to move on SpaceX as it goes down. And Virgin Galactic, this could be our buyback opportunity. So I'm watching all of that. While I'm bringing you the story, I'm trading $1 million live on the show. So overnight in New York, the yen touched 163.24 per dollar, a level last seen in late 1986. What happened then? If you don't know, why are you watching this channel? On Wednesday morning, Japan's finance minister, Satoshi Katayama, responded with a warning that the government is ready to take bold steps in currency markets whenever needed, though she named no line in the sand. No, they won't. They'll just do it. And I've told you what I am learning directly from those that move the banks, move the money behind the scenes. I told you exactly who the hackers were, didn't I? Through the night, I shared it on Discord who the hackers were behind Coca-Cola. People are still not even fully aware there even was a ransomware. I know how much, I know who, and we shared it with you, Discord, this morning. There's a lot going on that you do not know or you're not able to find out, but I share it all with you. Then at 8:30 a.m. UK time, 3:30 a.m., what did I say between 2 and 3 o'clock? There it is, in writing, confirmed on our show. If you've just woken up, you missed all the action. Came the real news. No surprise. Through the banks, through the support system I have, it came. Bloomberg, citing people familiar with the Bank of Japan's thinking, reported that officials are open to hiking sooner than the December move most economists had penciled in. Not me. What did I tell you? October. So at this point in the event, I am giving some very bold statements and very bold predictions about I told you what date, what time, how much, and so on and so forth. If everything I have just said now is true, if my members, my Discordians, those that watch the show every day know exactly what I'm talking about, yes. Have I beaten the market 3 years in a row? Did I tell you about the yen carry trade a year ago? Did I say there'd be no rate cuts in 2026 a year ago, a year and a half ago? Did I tell you there'd be a carry trade unwind? Did I tell you the banks, the Bank of Japan would raise rates and it would come in October? If I said all of that, and let's go further, let's make this claim even harder. If I told you last night between 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning, there would be rotations into Coca-Cola. If I said all these things, and I did all these things in the chat in front of the world, say yes in the chat. If no, I'm a scammer, I'm a liar, I made it all up and I'm just guessing and I just got lucky over and over again for 4 years in a row, say no, Martyn, you're a liar and a scammer. Let the audience tell you, that let them judge me and decide what actually I did say. Let's carry on. So 3:30 in the morning, Eastern time. That is 2:30 in the morning, my time. Exactly the moment I told you last night it was going to happen. A rotation would happen. And at 2:30 my time, and I was up. You can go in Discord and see I was up sharing it with you. Literally at that moment came the real news. Bloomberg, citing people familiar with the Bank of Japan's thinking, reported that officials are open to hiking sooner than the December move most economists had penciled in. I did not have it penciled in. I had it in with a bloody great marker made out of blood in October. I said it over and over again. No preset course in their words, but a clear message. The 6-year rhythm is not a promise. The reasoning matters too. Officials set companies passing higher costs to customers faster than in the past. And they see the sliding yen giving firms yet another reason to raise prices, just as underlying inflation finally closes in on the 2% target the bank set 13 years ago. Now, you may understand a little bit there when we talk about the Fed talking about 2%. Where did it come from? Was it from Jerome Powell, past Fed? Was it from Donald Trump in a past life? No, it came from the Bank of Japan. The Bank of Japan drives the US economy. It owns the US economy's debt. Simple as that. And people borrow money at cheap rates, in fact, negative rates, paid to buy American assets. And when the rates go up, the margin call kicks in, everything gets sold, everything goes down. We have a global crash like you have never seen before. The housing bubble was nothing compared to this. For context, the Bank of Japan raised its benchmark rate to 1% on June the 16th. All social media influencers said that wasn't going to happen. I told you it would happen, and it did happen. We got new members coming in.
And Mike Scott M2R has become a member.
If you become a member, you get many, many perks. You learn about all of my trades 24/7. It is an Electrum membership. You can message me and I will reply to you on all of the videos. We have members only chat when we're busy. I do even one-on-one video calls for my gold members, and I have 2 big investor whales who are my platinum investor level at $499 a month. We have 2 hyper whales who follow my channel who get their very own live streams. Anyway, let's carry on. So, for context, the Bank of Japan raised its benchmark rate to 1% on June the 16th. Now, big social influencers, I say big, they've got a lot of numbers, but they actually are nobody at all. They're just idiots trolling idiots, essentially. They said, 1, that wouldn't happen, but if it did happen, which it did, of course, it would be good for XRP, it would boom. What happened? XRP went down. I sold at the top, bought at the bottom. Why did I do that? Because that's what the banks and institutions are doing. It's what they tell me. It's what I do. It's what I share with you. Utter rubbish. We were told that XRP would be $100 at Christmas. And by the way, if you send me all your money, I can double your money and I'll charge you $2.5 grand to do it. Utter rubbish. All lies, all nonsense. I told you the very opposite of all of that. Anyway, the interest rate did go up and crypto went down. Not what social influencers were paid to tell you because of their own selfish nonsense. Anyway, after steps in July 2024, January 2025 and December 2025, the next meeting is July the 31st. Nobody expects a move that day. Well, you might not expect something, but we'll be up at 3 o'clock in the morning covering the live Bank of Japan interest rate decision. Now, if you'd like to see it, if you would like me to ask Sensei to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and cover the live Bank of Japan rate decision on July the 31st, there's 331 of you watching this live stream right now. This could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to you if you are a big investor. If every single person gives me a 99-cent super chat, tell me you want the rate decision, I will tell Sensei to go live. He'll get the money and he'll be up at 3 o'clock in the morning covering the Bank of Japan rate decision. If you want it, 331 people, 99 cents each. I'll get Sensei up at 3 in the morning and we will cover the Bank of Japan rate decision on July the 31st. And if you don't care for that, and if you don't want that, why the hell are you watching this? You're not an investor, you're a gambler, and you're sleeping your way into oblivion. If everyone does it, we shall make it happen. It's 99 cents per person. If everyone does it, you get it. Start doing it now. If not, we won't cover it. I'll do it privately and I'll trade it. Me and Sensei will trade on our own. The next meeting is July the 31st. Nobody expects a move that day after this morning. Let me just mute this. We got one person. There we go. One person. Another 300 people to do it and it's on. We will cover the yen carry trade live rate decision. I knew Diesel Raider would be first. Nobody expects a move that day after this morning. Everyone will be reading the statement word by word absolutely right. But it's a bit too late now if you are in certain assets that are down and you are in heavy with your margin. Because if you are all in on margin on assets that are upside down, you might not find a way out of it before it happens. The big O is up for it as well. Now, I'm providing you a very exclusive piece of information. The Bank of Japan staircase. This here, this is awesome. Thank you, everybody doing it. I knew everybody would want this. If we get 300, I'll get Sensei right on it. This is a specific chart for you. Now, this was provided in our award-winning newsletter, just hot off the press about 10 minutes ago. The Bank of Japan staircase. It's showing you how the rates are changing. You can compare this to history. This is in our award-winning newsletter. Let me give you the newsletter right now. There is the link for the newsletter. Let me give it to you. You can get this right now. Okay, inside our Discord, you get 40% off. We've got a big discount here as well for people that don't have Discord or don't want Discord. 25% discount. You can get the newsletter. You can be kept updated. You can have the Bank of Japan rate decision as it happens. You can have the charts, how to trade it, and we'll also give you a free training course worth thousands of dollars. We'll give you that. We'll also give you a stage event this Sunday preparing for the carry trade where you can have for free inside Discord your very own chart analysis review. So if you are Sensei for a specific chart on a specific stock, specific crypto, we will give that to you for free once you're in Discord and you have the newsletter. And you get Discord for free as when you get the newsletter. Whichever way you do it, we will provide you that information. This is absolutely crazy. I'm going to, just for a moment, turn off the overlays because everyone's doing it. We knew they would. It's absolutely fantastic. Let me just turn off the overlays for a second because I want to bring you the news. This is great. We need 300. It's only 99 cents and I'll get Sensei on the job and get him to cover the live event for you. Let's carry on. We've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. I am actually watching my own trade. I've got $1 million in play here and I want to take profit on Coca-Cola and buy and double down on SpaceX. As you can see, as confirmed and predicted, Coca-Cola is going up. We've got Virgin Galactic going down. I did warn you. SpaceX going down. I also warned you on that.
99 cents through Super Chat.
Thank you very much.
1 for me and 1 Super Chat for someone else.
There you go. We've got people doing it for other people. We need 300 to make this happen. I'm not going to get Sensei out of bed for 99 cents. Come on, guys. Think about it. Right. Okay. Let's come back to the story. I'm watching my trades very closely. I don't want to miss any of these trades. Otherwise, I'm just giving you the information so you can make money, and I'll end up getting margin called and losing all my money. And let's not do that. So anyway, for context, the Bank of Japan raised its benchmark rate to 1% June 16th. We talked about that. I've already covered that. I'm not going to repeat it again. Now, what everyone is saying, let's bring this to you. What everyone is saying. The striking thing about today's report is the gap it exposes between economists and traders. This is a very different story. Indeed, it is. Remember, everyone is in on it for themselves. This is the only channel in the world, the only 100,000 YouTube channel in the world with the official verification tick from YouTube as genuine and authentic that does not take sponsorship. We are not sponsored by anyone. Why? Because I don't need to. I make money from actually investing and trading and talking to the people that move the markets. There is no sponsors here. And for 99 cents, you're all going to get Sensei out of bed at 3 o'clock in the morning on the yen carry trade decision. If everyone does it, you get it. No one brings you more genuine, authentic, award-winning news verified by YouTube. Oh, and by the way, we've just been awarded 5 years in a row fair value best practices for our memberships. Best value memberships, no price increases for 5 years. Best value, and I shared that all over my social media a couple of days ago. We've won that again. So no one's going to bring you more honest, real news than this. The striking thing about today's report is the gap it exposes between economists and traders. In Bloomberg's survey before the June hike, about 70% of economists expected the Bank of Japan to move roughly every 6 months. I didn't. I told you what was going to happen, which points to December. I said no. I said October. The swaps market disagrees. It now prices about a 72% chance of a hike by October. I thank you very much. Now, why were they not saying it? Because it's policy. They can't. If you watch Bloomberg, CNBC, you're a bloody idiot. All they do is serve you commercials and get Tom Lee rolled out. It's all choreography with his glasses down here, his floppy hair going, it's a buying opportunity. Yeah, well, is someone going to ask me about my price prediction on Bitcoin at 100,000 by Christmas, and then January, and then February, and then March, and then April, and then May, and then no, nobody will ask you that, Tom. We'll keep telling you that you're amazing with your predictions, even though you get every single one wrong, like Michael Saylor, every single one, but we'll keep having you on, and you can keep telling people, oh, it's a buying opportunity, in a sad sort of face, looking like a mad scientist, like he knows something. He's very smart, but he talks absolute bloody bollocks. And why does he do it? Because he's paid to do it, and he's allowed to promote his Ethereum and granny shots on his lapel, and everyone thinks he knows what he's talking about. He does know what he's talking about. How to make CNBC rich, how to make him rich, and you lose all your money. Simple as that. All right. The swaps market disagree. They say October. I say October. I said it a year ago because I know, because I talk to the banks and I tell you what I'm not sponsored to say. I just tell you the truth. Today's report says, in effect, that the traders have it right. A round of applause for the traders, round of applause for them, but I did it a year before they did. On the currency, strategists are covering on the same uncomfortable conclusion: intervention alone may not save the yen. Junpei Tanaka and Pika Asset Management Japan put it in plainly in the Bloomberg piece, with concerns mounting over expansionary fiscal policy. There is a growing view that efforts to curb the yen decline through foreign exchange intervention alone have their limits. In other words, if Tokyo wants a strong yen, the Bank of Japan may have to deliver it with rate hikes. There's no question, there's no debate, there's no ifs, there's no ands, there's no buts. The money knows it, they know it, they're just not going to tell you because it's not good policy, and it is in fact policy indeed. Why do you think Coca-Cola is running up today? I told you at 3 o'clock in the morning, before most legacy news has even reported on the ransomware attack from Coca-Cola. I told you who the attackers were. I actually gave you the names and told you the stock would be up, and it is. And I told you at what time it would be up and told you who the ransom hackers in fact were. So put that in your pipe and smoke it, Tom Lee, and all your bloody nonsense. Let's get to it. So, oh, dear me. In other words, if Tokyo wants a stronger yen, the Bank of Japan will raise the rates. This is not a matter of if, not a matter of maybes. It's a matter of policy and fact. Now, I've got another chart for you. Again, this is best shown to you on the newsletter itself. Let me scroll to it. If you have got the newsletter, if you want the newsletter right now, everyone in the chat can get this. You no longer need to sit in the dark. You no longer need to be watching Bloomberg and CNBC all about their bloody silly commercials and their silly choreographed performances. You can actually get the facts directly from the sources. I've shown you for 4 years. I've beaten the market for 4 years, not just a little bit. 2, 3, 4x, no options, no guessing, no gambling, no shorts. You can get our newsletter. There is the link in the chat. You can get Discord, one-on-one support, no AI, no bots, real information, no sponsorship, literally one-on-one with me and my team, 2-stage events every day. Only 2 people allowed today a day to join. We only have good people. We're not to try and, it's only a couple of bucks to join. We don't make money out of it. It covers the admin and the fee that Discord charge. We just want to help people. That's it. But anyway, right now in our newsletter is this, the yen. Where is the line? You can see that close up. Follow along. It's the show notes today. You can get it. Stop losing. I've beaten the market for 4 years in a row. If you want to start winning, join us. Not so I get rich out of you. I get rich out of doing the job. I'm giving you the tools for free. I mean, $2. If $2 is too much for you, how the hell do you even turn the telly on and plug in the internet? It's there to help you. So go and check this very important chart out. Right, let's get more. We got 9 minutes to go before the bell goes. And then, of course, we're going to trade live and we're going to make a lot of money. $1 million today on the line. So the carry trade explained simply. We're going to break it down for you. If you don't know what the carry trade is, this is what it is. Please pay attention. People ignore it at their own peril, or they twist it and say it's great for XRP. We're all going to get rich. Rubbish. They're all paid influencers who don't give a damn about you. I am live 12 hours a day. I do give a damn, and I'm proving it to you by providing award-winning services as agreed by YouTube 5 years in a row with no increase of price or inflation, and they were only a couple of bucks in the first place. For most of the past 30 years, Japan had interest rates at near zero. That made the yen the cheapest money on earth. So investors everywhere did the obvious thing. Borrow yen at almost nothing, swap it to dollars, buy things that pay more, US treasuries, tech stocks, even crypto, pocket the difference. You don't do it, I don't do it, big money does it, they understand it, they've been doing it forever, and then they dump it on you, just like the housing crisis. The banks walked away and they came back a few years later, you lost your home, thousands of people took their lives, many people got divorced, all sorts of health issues, people lost their homes. You don't need to let it happen to you again. Make sure it doesn't happen again, because it will, and this time will be worse. So please listen to what I'm saying. This is the carry trade. That is the carry trade. It is like taking a near interest-free loan from one bank and putting the cash in a savings account across the street that pays 4%. Very well explained, Sensei. Absolutely beautiful. Exactly. Free money. As long as nothing moves. And when it does, it breaks, and it breaks very, very quickly. My warning today is do not chase Virgin Galactic. I know a lot of you are in it with us. We took our profits. The big money is sat on the sidelines waiting for the move. You do not want to jump too early. The catch is the whole story you borrowed in yen, so you must repay in yen. And if the yen suddenly strengthens, your debt grows in dollar terms. If Japanese rate rises, your cheap loan stops being cheap. And this morning's report threatens both at once. Faster hikes raise the loan cost directly, and a hawkish Bank of Japan plus possible intervention is precisely what makes the yen jump. And when it does, you get margin called and you lose it all, and everyone is forced to sell around the world. American assets. American assets. Nobody knows exactly how big the trade is. I've got a bloody good idea. I've got a really bloody good idea, but I'm not allowed to tell you that. But I do have a bloody good idea. And I'll just say this. It's bigger than the housing crisis. Put that in your pipe and smoke it, those that think it's a good opportunity, which is itself part of the risk. It's not a risk for me, because I've got a bloody good idea what it is. Estimates run from hundreds of billions of dollars to the narrow version of several trillion. It's near the T. It's nearer the trillion. Once you count everything built on cheap yen, imagine trillions of dollars suddenly unwinding. Imagine what happens next. You might have guessed. Doesn't look very good. And I guarantee you, the crypto you think that's going to save you is going to be the thing that destroys you. Not a matter if, Not a matter of when, it's a matter of fact. It's a matter of policy now. The carry trade and its reverse. Again, some very good detailed graphics here. Go and check out the newsletter. I'll give you the link again. There it is, 25% discount. You can try it out if you don't like it. I'm sure you will. And includes a free training course that worth thousands of dollars, stage events, access to Discord, you name it, blah, 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 blah. It's just bloody brilliant. That's why it's award-winning. Right, let's carry on. How long have I got? 5 minutes. The unwind and how it can cause a crash. Let me explain that. The carry trade has a dangerous personality. It makes money slowly and loses money all at once. Like I said, this is not going to be small. It's going to be violent. It's going to be quick. It's going to be fast. And it will happen, guess when? 3 o'clock in the morning. You'll be asleep. You won't see it. The banks will wake up. They'll set their alarms. I'll be up with them. And you'll wake up in the morning and go, holy crap, where's my money gone? Well, it's gone. Finished. Here is the chain reaction. The Bank of Japan hikes or even hints at hiking faster. As it did today, the yen strengthens, as it did within an hour of the report. No surprise, folks. Everyone who borrowed yen sees that their loan getting more expensive. So some sell assets to repay it. We've seen certain assets go down this morning. It happened at 3 o'clock. Things started to move. Now, I offered everyone the opportunity for Sensei to get out of bed at 3 o'clock in the morning if everyone did a 99-cent super chat. Only about 20 of you have done it. I'm not going to give Sensei $20 to get out of bed at 3 o'clock in the morning and cover the live yen carry trade. Not a chance. I thought everyone would do it for 99 cents. 20 of you did. That's not enough. I can't ask Sensei to get out of bed at 3 o'clock in the morning and cover a 6-hour event for $20. I simply can't do it. If you want the live yen carry trade, show some love and we'll get it done for you. You don't want to miss it. I'm not going to miss it. Whether you have a live show or not is up to you. Anyway, so the chain reaction, the Bank of Japan hikes or even hints at it and boom, it's all over. So we basically get a squeeze, which pushes the yen up further, which squeezes the next group of borrowers who also sell. The exit is narrow and everyone reaches it at once. This is not a matter of if or when, it's a matter of policy now. It's going to happen. The brutal part is what gets sold. Carry traders do not sell what they want to sell. They sell what they can sell. US stocks, techs, gold, crypto. That is how currency moves in Tokyo, because a red day on your screen, even if you own nothing Japanese. Absolutely right. 3 minutes to go. I might have to pick up the carry trade news as we carry on into the trading session. So I'm going to get ready for my trades. I've got $1 million, over $1 million here, all total. With my Roth IRA, my ISA, 691 just in the main brokerage. So we're getting ready for a massive day. Most people will lose all their money. My Discordians will make money. The Electrum members will make money. I will make money. Sensei will make money. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Get the real information. Know what's going on. Be prepared. Don't listen to influencers. Don't listen to CNBC and Bloomberg. Look for information that is award-winning. Look for information that provides you the shows for free. Here we are. Look for those that if they have any kind of memberships, and we only do it to keep the scammers out, but fair enough, it is my business. I am allowed to earn money, folks. All right, I could charge $1,000 for my training course and get it, but I don't. We give it for free. But we give it to you for a couple of bucks. We never increase prices, and there's no inflation either. Look for someone who does that. Well, guess what? You found it. I'm not even here to try and sell videos. I'm the world piano man. I've toured the world for 40 years, played every major theatre in Britain and Europe, and I've done Vegas, I've done all kinds of stuff, and I'm just here to help people. I don't care whether you watch, like, down, like, I'm not bothered. I just want to do something good that I can be proud of. So we've got 1 minute to go. Market's about to open. On the first day, we've learned about this carry trade.
For the carry trade.
Not that we all knew about it, but the world's waking up to the potential. Thank you for all the carry trade super chats. We're going to do it anyway. Of course we are. We have to do it because it's important to us. So if you don't want a super chat, it's fine. But we appreciate those that have done it. We really do appreciate you. And Sensei will appreciate the $20. And you'll go, really? $20? I said, look, Sensei, get on and cover it. People don't want to tip for it. I still want you to cover it because I want to make some money. So do you. So let's get and cover it. All right, there you go. Let's get ready. Here we go. The bell's about to go in 20 seconds. Let's get ready for explosive day. What we're looking for are trades on Coca-Cola. We have our trades set up on Discord and Electrum. No one else knows them. If you want to be onboarded, we'll onboard you at the end of the show. We'll come back to the carry trade in a minute. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. Find the magic jewels. We've got some magic jewels. Down goes the market. Down goes the market. Boom, 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 boom. Down goes the market. Turn the studio red. Turn the studio red. Coca-Cola is holding me up. SpaceX is being dumped. I warned you. There goes my position. The S&P down. Virgin Galactic down today. Do not chase it. We warned of what was going to happen and said to you, do not chase Virgin Galactic. The money has left it for now. SpaceX going down. We're about to double and make some more because we are going to buy it on the way down. Down she goes. Down goes SpaceX. 24 hours before the launch. Palantir going down, ridiculously overbought. Gold going up. Gold's going up until it gets dumped. Amazon going down. Apple going up. Enphase Energy going up. That's my top pick for $100 this year. Coca-Cola going up, no surprise. We now know who the hackers were. We know who the hackers were. We reported it to you at 3 o'clock in the morning. I gave you the name inside Discord. What does it mean? Work it out yourself. Google Coca-Cola up. Let me keep my eye on SpaceX. Virgin Galactic bouncing. People taking a quick scalp trade. Do not chase that. Big, big mistake. I have warned you. You're on your own. The big money isn't with you. J&J going up. Chevron Oil going up. The war's getting worse. Tesla down. McDonald's up today. Google up today. Microsoft selling off, too expensive. Meta Platform going down. Nvidia going down. We sold it at 220. We're not touching at 205. Walmart getting closer to my target. It's an AI play, no longer a staple. Down. We told you it would go down. Tilray Brands, the gamblers and guessers are back. They're going to lose all their money. There's no value here. When the carry trade unwinds, this goes to zero. Tilray Brands, be careful. Robinhood, volatile movement here this morning on crypto. People think crypto is going to save their asses. It's not. We told you that the EVTOL space would all boom. We've got inside information, literally, legally inside. We are there as press at the biggest air show in the world. Archer Aviation are bringing out new craft. We are there. Joby. All this is going up on the news that we're bringing to you daily. Live from Faz, who's on the field next to CNBC, Bloomberg, Sky News. We are press and media. Social media is waiting to find out what we tell you, what we already know. Look at it. Look at it. Joby Aviation up. Archer Aviation, boom. It was up 10% yesterday. We told you it would be. Semiconductors down. Bitcoin down. Crypto will not save you. Crypto go down 80%. Why did we trim yesterday? Live in Discord, we took profit out of Bitcoin and XRP. We didn't listen to stupid idiots telling us we should hold and we should save our money in crypto. We should buy more XRP. We took profit from XRP and you are going to lose your money. Because we are going to make sure you lose your money. XRP is down today. No surprise. We sold it at the top. We sold it at 115 yesterday. We trimmed the top. We lowered our lots. We improved our position. Ethereum down. All going down right now. So our portfolio is down slightly. We're slightly behind the S&P as well because Coca-Cola is holding us up. Please be careful chasing Virgin Galactic. SpaceX is about to get a buy. Not just yet, though. Not just yet. We're going to wait for it. There could be a much, much, much better opportunity than this in the coming minutes here live on the show. So we're going to go back to the yen carry trade. There is the big news on the big show today. Okay, we're now going to go back to our big story, the yen carry trade. While I keep my eye open, Discordian, stand by for the trades. The trades will be coming up in a few moments of what we're going to do. There's a stage event where we'll trade live together. We'll share and discuss it. We'll vote on what we're going to do. That's coming up for our big live audience. Now, we're just about to hit 1,000 members in Discord, and these are all premium investors, not bots, not trolls, not scammers, not AI, not idiots, real money, real investors. Down goes SpaceX. We're waiting for it. We're waiting for it. And I warned you of Virgin Galactic. Please do not chase that. The money has left it for now. SpaceX going down. You'll see, look, Palantir falling off a cliff. Gold is going up. There's your sign. There's your sign. Apple, now it's all coming down. Enphase going up, Mike. $40. There it is. Back to $40. Even Coca-Cola's trimming. When we get all assets, including defensive, start to sell, start to be a little bit concerned. All right? But don't jump too quickly. Understand what you're looking at and understand how it correlates with everything else. So I'm keeping my eye on Coca-Cola. I'm keeping my eye on SpaceX. And it's a little bit difficult for me because I'm trying to bring you the news at the same time. Right. Virgin Galactic gone green. Be careful. SpaceX going down. Right. Let me come back to the story. Let me wrap up our big deep dive story for you on the yen carry trade. So let's pick it up from here. So the brutal part is what gets sold. Carry trades do not sell what they want to sell. They sell what they can sell. US stocks, tech, gold, crypto. That is how currency move in Tokyo becomes a red day on your screen, even if you own nothing Japanese. We do not have to imagine it. On August the 5th, 2024, after a surprise Bank of Japan hike the week before collided with weak US jobs data, the unwind ran this exact script. The Nikkei fell more than 12% in one day, its worst session since 1987. The S&P 500 dropped 3%, and the VIX Fear Index spiked above 65%. Crypto had a massive drop on that day, and that was nothing. That was a very, very small unwind. This is hundreds of times larger, literally hundreds of times larger. Anyway, its worst session since 1987. The S&P dropped, the VIX spiked. I've covered all of that already. So it was the largest single-day cross-asset shock since March 2020. And we all know what happened then, don't we? The trigger was a hike of just 0.5 percentage points. Today's story is about whether the next hike lands as a surprise like that one or a rise fully priced. And down goes SpaceX, exactly as predicted. There we go. No surprise whatsoever. Now, if you think that America is sort of superior to this and above it all, I will tell you, Scott Besson, I got this from a press room White House contact. You won't read about this anywhere because nobody wants to tell you this, but I can tell you that Scott Besson got on a plane, flew to the Bank of Japan and begged them not to raise the rates, because when they do, boom, America goes down big. It's not a matter of if or why or what or when. It's now policy. You won't read about that. Donald Trump will not tell you that. No one will tell you that, but that is what happened. Even CNBC and Bloomberg will not tell you about that urgent meeting. Scott Besson flying to Japan to ask them, begging them basically not to raise rates. This is not something you're going to read about because they're not telling you. They don't want to tell you. It's not good policy. But let me tell you what is happening. The very same politicians that are keeping that away from the news are trading the hell out of this. Why do you think SpaceX is going down right now? All right, it ain't a surprise. The S&P is down 0.15. This hasn't started yet. I'm preparing you for it. Now, I warned you this morning, Virgin Galactic would go down. I said retail will chase it and it will dump on you. The real money isn't there. I am with 8 of the biggest retail investors in the world with hundreds of millions available. to buy Virgin Galactic whenever we want, and we've done it, and we make money out of it, they're not in. They know what's coming. The only people that are buying this now are guessers, gamblers, idiots, and the shorters. Let them short it. Let them drive it down. And then let's take over again like we did a few weeks ago. We can do it. No problem. We have full control. Virgin Galactic. Do not jump in on it. I am not jumping in on this, and neither is my team. Let it go. SpaceX is going down. I've warned you it would. Oil's going up. But I'm watching Coca-Cola, and I'm going to bring you more news. There it goes. Wait for it. Have patience. Back to the big story. So here is our next image for you. I want to share this on the screen. Again, if you're getting the newsletter, which nearly all of our members are, you can see this, what an unwind looks like. Let me share on the screen in closer detail. For you in the newsletter, you can see this much better than I can share on the screen. So I'm not going to go into the numbers and waste time going around the bush. You've got the newsletter. You want to know what this is. Go and check it out. If you've not got the newsletter, there it is in the chat. It's pinned to the top. Get it. 25% off. Our Discordians, you know you get the great deal inside Discord and everything else. So go and check that out right now. And I will onboard anyone who wants to join Discord today. I'll make an exception. It's normally 2 because today, a massive stage event. We're expecting 200 people live today. Big investors, small investors on a live stage event, because this carry trade, I want to help everybody be prepared for it. So a big live event today on the carry trade, all the trade setups, where we're positioning ourselves, all kinds of stuff live today in Discord for everybody. I'll make an exception and get everybody onboarded at the end of this. But for now, let's carry on the story. Why Japan moves the world. What does this actually mean? Why Japan moves the world? So I'm trying to trade live. I've got $1 million here while I'm covering this with you. Virgin Galactic now is falling off a cliff. There it goes. Down 2.5%. It's gaining speed. SpaceX, I'm trying to bring you the news at the same time as trade my $1 million. So, okay. I will come back to it. I want to take profit from Coca-Cola, and I want to double on about $1 million. There goes Enphase Energy. I told you that was going to outperform. As you can see, that is now shooting up. That's going up. Coca-Cola. I don't like the Coca-Cola is rolling over too soon. It shouldn't be doing that. Well, it should be doing that. On this news, it should be doing that, and I don't want it to do it yet. So I might have to sell for less profit than I was expecting, and that's not a bad thing. There it goes. There it goes. Let me carry on with the news, and I'll keep bringing it to you, and if I have to stop and jump in and trade, then so be it. But I don't want to miss out. Right. Okay. Why Japan moves the world. Japan is the world's largest creditor nation and the single largest foreign holder of US government debt at roughly $1.2 trillion. When Japanese rate hikes, that money has a reason to come home. Why hold dollar bonds with currency risk when a Japanese bond finally pays something? The 2-year JGB at a 31-year high yield at today's other headline is exactly that. Finally pays something moment. Japanese investors already sold about 30 billion of US treasuries in the first quarter, the fastest pace in 4 years. So Japan touches your portfolio throughout doors at once. The carry trade door forced selling of risk assets, and the Treasury door upward pressure on the world's most important interest rate. Today's report pushed on both. This is the biggest story we've ever covered on our show, and I'm trying to do it justice at the same time as I'm trying to trade. Enphase Energy is booming. Coca-Cola is rolling over too early. Virgin Galactic is down. Does this mean a crash is coming? No, not necessarily. Nothing is certain, nothing is guaranteed. Scott Besson has begged them not to do it. There could be some deals done. So nothing here I'm saying is 100% fact. Doesn't mean it's going to happen for certain. The numbers will speak of it. The situation speaks of it. And then if intervention is done and deals are done, you never know your luck. We might get out of it. But you can trade the hell out of this. And I'm trying to trade while bringing this story. I'm doing an awful job of it. Anyway, I'm going to keep focusing on this. So the case for calm. Today's report is the opposite of August 2024 in one crucial way. It's telegraphing, not surprising. Absolutely. We are covering it. We are telling you. If people de-risk their positions slowly, we don't have a crash, all right? If you pay off margin slowly and you pivot slowly, you can make money from all of this, all right? The Bank of Japan is deliberately preparing markets for a faster pace, and traders already price 72% odds of October move. So it's not there yet, right? We're not trying to catch you out. We're not trying to surprise you. We're trying to prepare you. While signposted hikes can be absorbed, the carry trade is also smaller than its peak 2024 peak, because that crash taught people a lesson. The case for caution. The yen at a 4-decade low means pressure on the Bank of Japan is building, not fading. And Katayama's bold steps warning adds a second source of sudden yen strength. A surprise intervention and a hawkish Bank of Japan landing in the same week would be a genuine squeeze. And unwinds are reflexive. They need no big trigger, only a crowded exit. So Sensei's thoughts on this, let's see if we agree. The odds of an August 2024 repeat this month are low. Yes, non-existent. Now, October is where I'm giving it. But today's assembled the ingredients in a way we have not seen for 2 years. The risk stays quiet until it's very loud. SpaceX is falling. I'm looking for a trade here. I'm looking for a trade here to double down to $1 million. Virgin Galactic is rolling over. We said it would. And Coca-Cola, it's a bit early for it. I'm a bit unhappy with this. We've got the ransomware. We shared it. Maybe we've reached a peak today. I don't like this. I'm not selling it, though. I'm not selling it. I'd rather just double down on margin, which I'm already doing anyway, but we'll double again and buy SpaceX, because I know we're going to get a bounce on both. It's just when they rotate in synchrony, so I can actually benefit from it. Anyway, let's finish our report on the carry trade. So what are we watching? The July 31st Bank of Japan meeting. If you want us to cover it, show some love, show some super chats. We'll get up late at night and we'll cover the 3 o'clock in the morning event. So please do show some support if you want that. Otherwise, we'll just do it privately behind closed doors. We'll share the news on Discord, of course, and YouTube Electrum, but not on social media. You won't see me post it on X to get some clicks for some bloody random idiot to repost it. Anyway, not for a hike, but a weather the statement echoes today's faster paced message. The yen between 163 and 165 were the strategist's intervention estimate cluster. The October meeting, where the market put 72 odds on the next hike, that's the date I gave you a year ago. And on any sharp global red day with no obvious cause. The first chart I will open is USD Japan, because if the yen is spiking, the selling is probably Tokyo's margin call. Not bad news about the stocks themselves. Absolutely. So there we go. There is our big yen carry trade story of the day. I hope you found it useful. Sorry I had to keep interjecting with stuff going on, but this is a live show and I've got real money on the line. This is my real live position. I've really got $1 million in play across my overall portfolio. As you can see, I'll share it with you again. There you go. 688 plus the Roth, the ISA and Robinhood UK. It's just about $1 million in play and I'm trading it live with my real money with all my margin while bringing you the news. But anyway, there is the yen carry trade. I hope that was useful. Right. I'm going to upload that to my systems. I want to send that in to my shorts. If you want to get the shorts later on in the clips channel, you can. There it is. Okay. I'm sending up the clips channel now, creating segments of today's highlights. So let's go back to our positions and see how we can trade this. We'll do live Q&A in a moment. Right, what we'll do, because we are busy, there's 484. As everyone tap the like button, we're very low on likes, just 153. I know only 50% of you are signed in, but if everyone could do it, that would be great. So the most we can get, oh, hello. So what you're looking at now is our super jewels. There are some hidden jewels that reveal some secrets. Have a lot of fun with those. If you find the magic ones, certain things will happen. We found a couple, but all the really good ones, no one's found yet. There's some really good ones. But anyway, if you find the magic jewels, certain things will happen on the screen and so on and so forth. Consider subscribing to our channel if you'd like to be part of our network. Right. We're going to onboard everybody who wants to join us today for our stage event on Discord. 2 stage events every day. And we'll onboard everybody at the end. I'm just going to see if I can do some trades. So.
At star.light.matrix tipped $1 through Super Chat.
Thank you, Starlight. Appreciate that very much indeed. Sensei will appreciate the support for the carry trade decision. So we're down 0.31. The market is down 0.09. So we're behind the market today. We're not beating the market today. We've been quite famous for beating the markets like every single day. We're always beating the market, 3 and 4x the market. We are turning green now. Okay. Let's see how we can play this. The S&P is heading down again. Virgin Galactic, no, there's no real money there yet. SpaceX is going up. I've got enough. Palantir's just got no value at all right now. Gold going up. Uncertainty, I never do that. Unfortunately, that was not one of the magic jewels. Good try. Amazon going down. Apple going down. Enphase Energy going up. We were right again. Coca-Cola is trying to go up. I wonder if I've got any lots I can sell my middle lots because we have risen a bit. I want to be prepared to buy a much, much, much bigger position in SpaceX. Let me check my tax lots. If you don't have lots, use your FIFO rules. Yeah, we do. We do have some here. My bottom lots are in the money. I got $30,000. Sorry, you can't see that, can you? There you go. My bottom lots are green. That will give me $30,000 to buy SpaceX. I am in profit. They are green. However, they're not green enough, but they're green. It's profitable. I can sell for a profit. We've made money on them.
Deal on 442.
Oh, we found one.
Eagle X 400 jewels.
We found one. Eagle, the bald-headed eagle of America, celebrating the World Cup. We found one of our eagles. They're flying away. Fantastic indeed. Very, very good. America in the house. There you go, America in the house. You found our big American bald eagle. Okay, so we have some profit there. Oh, hello, we got a special comment here from a special guest. Let's have a little look. It's not worth it, though.
At Diesel_Ada tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Tom Lee and D. What Kramer impersonations are. Rolling on the floor laughing emoji.
Yeah, Tom Lee and Jim Cramer. They know what they're doing. They're just making money for the network and themselves. They don't care. And that's up to them. They want to live a life like that, just keep making money for themselves. And that's up to, I mean, I couldn't care less. I haven't got any money. All the money I've got is here. I don't have a car. I don't go anywhere. I mean, yes, I have a house and I have nearly $1 million, but that's all I have. I mean, that's my pension. That's my bank account. That's everything. I don't want anything. So anyway, look at all this. Nvidia, only because people think it's oversold, which it's not, of course, but they think it is. Walmart, very nice. Hit 100. We can buy some. Tilray, God, who would buy that now? Vertical, 5%. We gave it to you at the beginning of the show. Beginning of the show, we told you where it was going. Svaz is literally there bringing product releases never seen before. And it's quite funny because you got social media influencers who weren't invited as the press because they're just YouTubers talking rubbish, making up stories about what they think is going to happen. We're actually live there with Vaz. It's like he's literally stood next to BBC and Sky News and stuff like that, reporting live. This morning he was outside the Archer Aviation temporary building. It's quite funny, really. But anyway, Archer going up, no surprise, really. Look at vertical aerospace. Vertical aerospace, why is that going up? Well, a little inside tip for you. I can say it's inside tip because it's not really, but it is in a way, but it's legal inside tip. We have got a story today from Vaz as a new product launch, vertical aerospace, and the press are just learning about it, and the money people connected to the press are buying it. You'll hear about it later on. You don't know what it is yet, do you? But yeah, vertical aerospace, Vaz is actually interviewing vertical aerospace and the CEO of Archer Aviation today, live from the biggest air show in the world. So we did tell you that was going to happen. Anyway, so the S&P has tried to come up. Virgin Galactic is just doing nothing. SpaceX doing nothing. Palantir, there's no trades here at the moment. I'm going to go to live Q&A. End phase is running. Yeah, the smart. Damn it, Coca-Cola. I really wanted to. I'm not stressed about it. I just want to take some money from it. It's too. I mean, I'm not worried. Well, good try. GGEZ, good one. That wasn't one of the magic ones, I'm afraid, today, though. They do move around. They hide themselves every day. Vaz is on it. He certainly is. Right. So let's do live Q&A. I'm going to Virgin Galactic, no. SpaceX. I'm going to okay. I'm going to go to live Q&A while I watch Coca-Cola. Right, I need to watch that. I'm going to keep my eye on SpaceX. Right, let's go to live Q&A. Let's switch to members-only mode so I can answer everyone's question. All right, so if you've got a comment, a question, if you want to be onboarded for Discord, I can do it now. So let me just change to members only, and that way everyone can get their question answered. If you want to know anything about anything, just ask me, and I'll answer you. 100% transparent and honest, whatever you need to know. Let me do that. Right, we're in members only mode now. So if you've asked me already, please repeat it, and I'll look at it now. So anyone who's a member, now drop your comment in the chat and I'll answer it. And I think we've got it pinned to the top, haven't we? The Discord link. Yes, we do. And the newsletter. So let me see if anyone's applied to join this morning. Because it's an important one, I will make the exception of bringing everybody on that as applied. So we got hands. Make sure that you do it properly, folks, because we're looking for scammers. 80% are. Right, so 80% are bad people. I mean, it is. Everyone's trying to scam you and steal from you. It's awful on Discord. A lot of people. So Hans has just requested an application to learn from one of the best. I've been investing for 1.5 years and I've lost and made money. I agree with the channel and want more information. Well, that's wonderful. Hans, thank you. Let me process your application. The link is in the chat. It's pinned to the top. I'll give it to you again if you've not seen it. I will come to live Q&A while we're on board. So Hans, where are you from, Hans? Put that in your application. Put that in your application if you're watching. Where are you from? I got a friend in, not the only Hans in the world, but I got a friend in the Netherlands called Hans. Anyway, it's a cool name. I like it. So, right, let me give you your application. Here goes. Here is your video. And here is your voice note. You've got an hour to join. If you don't, your application will be rejected because we're allowing everyone in this morning. There's a waiting list. So if you want to get on it, you can. DD, learn trading. You've applied before. So we've got a slight red mark against your name. You may be a scammer. You may be a bot. You may have made a mistake. So we're going to assume that you're a good person. So we're going to ask you a question. Why would you like to join? There is your voice note. We've got the main. Your interview is in process, so I think we're up to date. Let me refresh the screen.
I can't believe this.
At Slim Valuk has become a member. 13 months worth every penny. Thank you, Martyn and the team.
Oh, you're very welcome. We're very happy that you're happy. Right. Okay, I think... Oh, there we go. We got a scammer. Perfect. We identified it very easily. We got rid of one. I love when we catch them. I'm coming to live Q&A now. I'm just waiting for the comments to assemble. Theodore. I'm not sure what Theodore's doing. Theodore, hi, this is Martyn Lucas, the owner of the server. You need to answer the questions by watching the video. I don't know why you're giving me your email. Okay. Bit of a funny one, that one. Antonium. Okay, hi, Martyn. Answers. Yeah. Okay, great. Congratulations. We can let you in. I'm going to come to Q&A now.
I can't believe this.
At Denmark 5651 has become a member.
Just bear with me. I'll give you all your membership perks as well. But I'm now going to come to Q&A. I've taken care of the Discord. Whoops. Congratulations, you are in. Upload that. Antonium. And click on there. Send you your gift. There you go. You're one of our lucky ones this morning. You get a gift. There you go. Right. Taking care of that. Okay. Let's come back to live Q&A. Everyone, no one gets left behind. Let me go to... Oh, we're green. Nice. Let me see if we can take a profit yet. Not really. Gonna keep it on that, I think. We don't need to worry about crypto now. We've taken profit. We're not looking to buy lower yet. That's going to come down 80%. So we're way off there. Right. Let me go to live Q&A now. No one gets left behind. Let me go to where I went members only. Where was it? Right, here we go. So our first members comment. So Tiger Shark mode. Oh, you did. You did a duel, sorry. Thank you, Martyn, from Liz, from Germany, for the story. Even if it was a hard time today. Yes, thank you. It was difficult. And I apologise it wasn't as tight as I like it because I was trying to trade, with my own money. I don't want to lose money to bring a story. It's I want to help everybody, but I don't want to lose money doing it. And it's a bit, that'd be a bit weird, wouldn't it? Get margin call while I'm telling everybody else not to get margin called. I mean, imagine that happening. Anyway, thank you, Liz, for your comment. Farmer J, how do you plan to position for the yen carry trade? Well, by the time we get close, I'll be all in I will be all in short-term treasury bills. Short-term treasury bills earning 4%. That's it. It's very simple, very straightforward. I'm using the stock market to make money, then I protect myself, and I will be 100% in yen short-term treasuries earning 4%. Remember, I've already beaten the market like 3x this year. I've smashed it. And now I've make some more money from Coca-Cola now, make some more money from SpaceX. When we've done that, move to treasury bills. When the crash comes, start laddering down and buy with conviction, and then buy with my own cash first, and then I'll start using margin, just like I did with Liberation Day, and I'll end up always buying the bottom. Remember, buying the bottom is more powerful than trying to sell the top. I always get the bottom. You've seen me do it over and over again in that strategy. XRP bound. What are your thoughts on Enphase Energy? XRP bound, $100 target on that one. But every time it goes to $70, our members take profit and we move it and do it again. Those that just hold it, you just keep giving profits away. When we get the bounces, we trim the top lots, so say pay the least tax. We teach tax lots harvesting if you want to join us on Discord. But yeah, I mean, $100 is the target, but when we get the bounces, we take profit from it, always. Thank you, Mike, for the story. Yeah, thank you, Liz. You said it again, thank you. 1970 Buckley. Oh, yes, our dolphin. Not a whale, a dolphin. No, she's a whale. She's a whale. Hi, Martyn. In the nicest possible terms, you can't call a woman a whale, can you? It's a rude thing to say, but we will say that she's a whale in the financial space. Shall we say it? Should we say it like that? I think we probably should. Right, Antonium, you're moving ahead. I see with your application. I'll come back to you once you've made some progress. Oh, DD, I honestly don't know what happened last time. I missed the message. Then my appreciation application. All I can do is no worries, DD. Thank you for saying. I love it. I love when people are human and real and nice. We just love it, don't we? Mistakes can happen, but we're just here to get it done. Tell the truth and deal with it. You learn nothing from just fanning around and talking nonsense. There is your application, DD. Here is your video. Here is your voice note. There we go. See you get on with that. Okay, let's carry on. Next question. Hi, Martyn. Are you still in space? No, we took all our profit, and all our investors did. We all took profit. And we're waiting to re-enter once we've made money on SpaceX and Coca-Cola. But not yet. The real money isn't there. We just got gamblers at the moment, playing game with the shorters, having some fun with it. Show us your portfolio, please. Give us a quick run through. Absolutely, I absolutely will. So there is my XRP. I've got XRP. I'm up 4.5%. We sold the top lots yesterday. Right thing to do, obvious. Solana, I'm not sold any of it. It's all staked. I'm not selling any of it at all. I'm only 4%. Bitcoin, we sold the top lots yesterday. It came down. We're looking to buy some more. I'm up on that.
I can't believe this.
Ethereum, thank you, Liz.
A humane being Liz has become a member.
There you go.
Hello all with this AI voice. Love to learn here.
Love it, Liz. Ethereum all locked up, staking. So there's my crypto position. I've got 30,000. We had 33 yesterday. We sold 3 from the top. Minimum tax, top lots, lowered our averages, protected our portfolio, put some money back in the buying power, ready to buy more SpaceX and Virgin Galactic. And there's my crypto position. Short-term treasuries, I'm out of short-term treasuries. I'm out of the S&P 500, which is VU. Coca-Cola, I'm in. I've got over $500,000 in Coca-Cola on my main account, the Roth IRA, the ISA in the UK and Robinhood UK. I share it all on the screen with you. So there's my position there. And I've got, I mean, what else do you want to know? The average doesn't really mean anything, does it? That's how much I'm in anyway. VUG, I'm out. SpaceX, we've got $700,000 in SpaceX across all 4 positions. And again, it's not really important. My average is 129. We've not sold a single share. There's 510,000 just on the main brokerage. 700,000 in total. And Virgin Galactic, we're out. We're up 17%, as you can see. We bought the bottom. We took some profit at the top. We are now waiting for it to come back down. Then there's no real money in there at the moment, and management are looking to take the money out of it again. So we are not sitting there right now. Let me come back to this position here. Right. Okay. That answers your question. Thoughts on SK Hinks? I haven't really got any thoughts on it. I've never done a review on it, Diesel. I just became an Electrum member. Yay. How do I get your space trades? Captain Black. Right. So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you get my trades on Electrum, YouTube Electrum. Let me show you exactly so you can see where you go. So I will show you exactly how you will see it. Switch account. I've got to stay that account, haven't I? Right. Okay, here we go. So you go on the home page of the channel. It's on the homepage, same as on a mobile or a computer, it's the same. And you got community or post, community post, whichever one you want. Go to the post and you will see, if I go to my post, there's the show this morning. There's my prediction 4 hours ago. I told you what was going to happen. Right, I can show you now because it's passed. Members only. That was for all members. I gave it to all members, but if you scroll down a bit further, there you go. See that, look? Visible to Platinum, Sponsor, Gold, and Electrum. There it is. I told you what I was buying. I gave you the numbers, the details, the trade, the time, everything. Another one, XRP, told you what I was trading, told you what I was buying. So it's on the homepage, community, posts, members section. It will pop up, an Electrum member, you will see it. Now, if you've got your notifications turned on, it also emails you as well from Google.
At Frankie Laraba 1,780 tipped $20 through Super Chat. Just went liquid in my IRA in preparation for the crash. Thank you, Martyn, for your honesty and integrity. God bless you, brother.
You're very welcome. A little bit soon, though, mate. I wouldn't worry about it today. I mean, I'm still going to make a lot of money with SpaceX and Coca-Cola. But, I mean, October, I mean, I wouldn't be out of the market. Remember, you can make money from all of this stuff. Anyway, so if you want the comfort, I understand that. Nothing wrong with doing that. I mean, to be fair, I could join you because the amount of money I've made this year, just earn 4%, will be a bit icing on the top, and then go on holiday. Just forget the market. Yeah, I mean, why not? You're not doing anything wrong there. You're not at all. Anyway, nothing wrong with doing that, mate, at all. Right, let's carry on. So Captain Black, alongside all of that, as an Electrum member, you get 2 stage events a day. I wonder if we can do one this morning. I tell you what, we'll come back with a members-only event. We'll do a members-only event this afternoon. So Electrum members get 2 stage events a week. We spin the wheel and you get free stock analysis. You'll also get that as well. So lots of perks to being an Electrum member, not just the trades. So look out for them all. Members-only videos, CEO interviews, all sorts. You can thank me for the end phase chat. I was a pest. Dalish, you can thank me for the end phase chat. I don't know what you mean. How much is for a stock review again, Martyn? It's well, at the MX China at the moment I can't take any because the list is too long. I don't want to be sitting on your money. So it's a $10 super chat. The higher you do, the higher up the list you go. If you want one straight away, if you want one today, the top price is $50. So if you did a $50 super chat today, you'd get it today. You get it live right after this. But you can get, if you just wait a little bit, I'll get down the list. Or you can, if you're an Electrum member, play spin the wheel, you might get one for free. All right? I'm trying to save you money. I would love to join Discord, but not sure how. Well, we show you. We literally give you white glove service. All you got to do is click on the link at the top of the channel or in the chat right now and follow the steps. I literally hold your hand all the way through. Japanese yen. This will be an issue for an hour. I think this will be an issue for an hour or day. Oh no, this won't be an hour a day. It'll crash really quickly, but it'll go on for weeks. it won't just unwind and then we'll all pop back up again 5 minutes later. No, that's not how it works. It wipes people out and they're gone, done. The crashes don't go away in 5 minutes. Hello, Martyn. Virgin Galactic seems to be following SpaceX at the minute. Yes, it is. I'm wondering when you believe the ideal opportunity for Virgin Galactic will be to buy. I will share it with you on Discord and Electrum when I'm ready, when the information is there. It's not there yet. Bugger off, spammers. Sod off. Denmark just became a member. Welcome to you. As a member, you get a price guarantee. No inflation ever. Your price will never go up. No rate hike, no interest rates, no inflation. You get members-only videos, members-only live streams, CEO interviews. You can comment to videos. I reply to all the members' comments. You get discounts in the shop. You get all kinds of things.
At Frankie Laraba 1780 tipped $5 through Super Chat.
Makes sense.
Not out, just preparing to make some moves in the meantime. You rock.
That makes sense. Very good. Very good. Yeah, don't walk away completely. Rubbish told trolls, bloody idiots. Yeah. I'm just trying to enjoy my sandwich. I bought 6 SpaceX. Dalish, yeah, I've been experiencing a carry trade. Is it typically an instant crash over a period of time? It happens very quickly, but it doesn't bounce back for ages. I mean, it could wipe people out forever. So, yeah, it's not just down and then back up again in 5 seconds. People aren't willing to buy. So, because they don't know when the bottom's going to come. It keeps on. Once it starts selling, everyone starts selling. It gets worse and worse. Hi, Martyn. My initial purchase of SpaceX was 140. I'm the same. I was there right with you. Since the FIFO principle applies to me, I have to sell those first. Well, if you want to make money and not lose money, most certainly, yeah. Because if you bought those first, that's what it will sell first. And if you don't have FIFO to tell it what to sell and what to buy, that is the only way to do it. Absolutely. Oh, yes. There we go. Told you not to worry. SpaceX. Oh, misses. Keep my eye on that. In fact, I'll keep it here like this. There you go. We're getting there. Hey, Martyn, I really want to be in Discord, but I have the same problem as Melanie yesterday. Maybe it doesn't work from Germany. Well, use a VPN then. And I gave everybody the best VPN ever yesterday, where you get $25 back and it gives you a free phone number. I gave you the best information. So yeah, use a VPN if that's the case. I don't know why Discord wouldn't work in Germany. No, it does work in Germany because Liz is in Germany. Liz on this channel, she's chatting now. Liz, can you tell people you're from Germany? Oh, Liz, there's people here from Germany. Can you speak German in the chat and tell Philip Cloth and Melanie, if she's here, how you got Discord? You're in Germany and speak German. Write it in German because they're German. It'll help them out. There you go. Multilingual channel today, folks. Thank you for allowing me to be a member. Absolutely. Thank you for being part of it. Yeah. Charlie A, I'm addicted to this channel. I have my earphones on all day at work listening to you on YouTube and Discord. That should be illegal. I totally agree. It is illegal. We've started a cult. It's a cult following. Yeah. I'm like David Koresh. I'm going to get my own. We're going to invite the FBI round. Keep it going, Martyn. I love it. Nosman, here he is. This is... what's his name? Sean? Is it Sean? I met this guy the other day. He's one of my gold members. He's great, this guy. I love this guy. He's brilliant. Really good guy to talk to. If I was in his area, I'd have a beer with him. He's really good. Is it Sean? It is, isn't it? Mine, where do you see XRP going? XRP, I could see it going to $5, but we could have a big drop before then. 80 cents is my target. This is why I sold the top lot, so I can buy on the way down, right? Lower my average, buy more at the bottom, not at the top. Silly, isn't it? Thank you, Liz. Yeah, that's nice. Thank you for thanking Liz. I'm wondering if SpaceX will delay the launch because of the storm moving over. Oh, no, we don't want that. We don't want that. If the market crashes next year, would it be prudent to empty out my 401k and push it in trade? Well, listen. I will tell you a true story. A lot of...
I can't believe this.
Admatua team has become a member. New t-shirt, I'm in a cult. It's better than yours.
Should we put that on it? I'm in a cult. It's better than yours. That's great. I think we should do that. The new t-shirt comes out on the 1st of August. They've already sold out. Everyone's pre-ordered one with a catchphrase from the show. Shall we do that? I'm in a cult. It's better than yours. That's absolutely brilliant. Ooh, ooh. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it. No, I can't do that. I'll have to come up with something. Anyway, listen, folks. Murderous Monkey, are you on Discord? Because that's a very complex subject. I'd love to talk to you about it in depth. You've got a couple of choices. You could be a Discord member. We've got a stage event literally in 40 minutes. We'd have 2 a day, every trading day at the same time. You could join me for that. Or if you're a gold member, you can be a gold member for 1 month, and you can always downgrade again if you want to. For $9 more than Electrum, you get a 1 hour with me. And I'm giving it to you because my time is worth $700 an hour. I'm giving you my time for $9, basically, and we can have a private conversation because I would need to understand. You know, you're asking me, should I sell and empty my 401k? You know, that's a very, very, very specific question, and I want to provide, service. So join me on Discord and we can discuss it today, or become a gold member. I don't want to say to you what to do because I don't want you to go and follow what I'm doing. Will Google earnings affect the market? Oh, bloody hell, yes, it's tonight, isn't it? Bloody hell, no one booked it. We're not doing Google earnings. Oh, yeah. Tesla and Google earnings. Bloody hell. Tesla and Google earnings tonight. Let me ask Sensei if he wants to do it. Let me ask Sensei if he wants to do Tesla earnings. We've got Google as well. We could do double shows. Oh, hello. I can hear the little man. Hey, where's my little mate? Sensei, tonight is Google and Tesla earnings. I'm thinking of doing Google earnings. Did you want to do Tesla? You on the way to the screening thing? Yes, of course. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. No problem. No problem. Okay, mate, I'll let you carry on. Thank you for the carry trade information. That was absolutely brilliant. And you drive safe, and love to your wife and on this very sad day. Thank you. All right. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye. There you go. Sensei is doing something very important today. He can't do it, but I can certainly cover Google if anybody wants it. Thank you, Diesel, for thanking Liz, for thanking Martyn. That's great. Thanks, Martyn. I'm on Discord and I missed your exit trade. I can find the signal. Baron John, it gets better now. It gets better. Not only do we put it on YouTube Electrum, not only do we put it inside our live Discord events, stage events, but if you miss it, we now transcribe the entire and we highlight all the facts and we post it in the in a channel on Discord. There's a proper channel for it. That when you miss a stage event, we highlight all the key points. How about that? We worked on it last night. All right. If I was a woman and if I was a financial whale, you could call me a bloody rhinoceros for all I care. Hi, Martyn. What do you predict the crash? When? October. James Robin, Baron John Jameson. Perhaps I was in the wrong chat on Discord. If you join us on Discord today for the stage event, I'll explain it all to you. If you've not yet watched that video, have you watched the video yet? This one, where is it? This one here. This one. Yeah. This video here is the video that tells you all about Discord. If you've missed anything, where to go, what to do, blah, 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 blah. Watch that video. There's no ads on it. It's a free video. Right, where was I? So let me carry on. Coca-Cola, SpaceX, nothing yet. I missed a few comments. Right, here we go. So, Liz, 10 months of membership. Hello, all. There we go. When the market does get ready to crash, would it be prudent? Oh, yeah, I've already answered that. Please join me on Discord or go gold. And let's have a private conversation. I'm in Germany, and on Discord, we are few. There you go. Talking German. Martyn, thank you for all you do. I wish I had your energy. Yeah, I haven't really. I just try really hard and then get really tired. You know, are we pumping now? What does that mean? Pumping now? Not really. We're all becoming millionaires with you, Martyn. Oh, hey. My question is how are you so amazing? What's going on? What's going on this morning? Why is everyone being so nice to me? Oh, hello, ongoing call. I got an ongoing call. Did you call me, Sensei? No, I just spoke to you live in your car. Don't you remember? You were there.
No, I was there, but I thought you called me again, so it must have been a mistake.
Yeah.
Are you on Discord or YouTube?
I'm on YouTube at the moment.
Okay.
Do you want to speak to anybody? Do you want to say hello?
Nah, we're good.
You're all right. All right.
I'm about an hour behind your show.
Right. Okay. Well, the clue is, Sensei, when I call you and you're on the call, then that is real. That's happening. That's you're not imagining that. That's not an illusion. That happened. So yeah, you were on the call with me about 10 minutes ago. Not even that, 5. Yeah. Do you want to carry on with your day now? Can I get back to the YouTube audience?
Yeah, you continue to with YouTube. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it's not very professional, is it, really, having a chat with you on my phone, really? I should carry on, really. All right, see you in a bit. God's sake. He thought he didn't know he's on the call, and he thought he's on the call, but doesn't know he's on the call. How can you be on the call but not know you're on the call? How can you not know? We're on video together. I can see it. He can see my face. I can see his face. Was you calling me? What? I was just talking to you, you bloody idiot. Literally, we're on the phone together. Faces. It's like FaceTime, isn't it? Oh, God. Do you ever invest in emerging markets? Actually, probably not. No. I should do, though. Cool, thanks. I sold all my space and wait to follow you. Oh, my God. Don't follow me. Not out, just prepare. Oh, there we go. Oh, someone's sending a silver star. That was not a magic one, was it? SPCX is shrinking again. When I did warn people, I did say don't bloody buy it. Be careful. There's no money in it right now. Hi, Martyn. I made 14% yesterday on space. Thanks. You're very welcome. You're very, very welcome. Yeah, all donations much appreciated. That's what I can say. I often get people to message me and go, thanks, Martyn. I made 20 grand because of you yesterday. Here's a $2 tip. So, what is that? Listen, you did it all yourself. You did it all yourself. I had nothing to do with it. Oh, hello. What's this? Well, this is better than a $2 tip. This is $20. What does this one say?
At Mxchida tip $19.99 through Super Chat. I can't normally make the members only events, so I'll pay a little extra to bump it up the list. If you can look at Planet Fitness PLNT whenever you can, I appreciate it.
Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness. So yeah, you've just gone to... you've gone to the top of the list. You've gone to the top of the list. Planet Fitness, you've gone to the top of the list. Planet Fitness. I need to put that down, $20. Oh, yeah.
At Tchmalden tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Tesla and Google will move crypto.
Indeed, they will. There's There we go. Now we're talking German. Good. That's what I want to see. Do you see my application? Philip Cloth. What, on Discord? What's your name on Discord? Because I bet you got a different name, ain't you? Everyone's got different names. Which name is it? Do I see your application? I've got Hans, Mike Scott. Which one is it? I don't know. You didn't give me a username. How am I supposed to know? People think I just psychic. I just know what everyone's name is. But yeah, funnily enough, I don't. Anyway, Philip Cloth, what's your username? Well, I give the answer, Philip. Oh, there you go, German. Yes, it was Sean. I bloody knew it. My work blocks, VPNs, Discord, etc. I will try from home. There you go. Well done. There you go. New T-shirt. I'm in a cult, and it's better than yours. I would buy that. It's good, isn't it? Who wants that? Who wants that on the next T-shirt? I'm in a cult. It's better than yours. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to write it down because a few people are going, I'd buy that. I'm in a cult. What's it? I'm in a cult. I'm in a cult and what's it? It's better than yours. That's good, that. Yes. There we go. Great. You are in Discord. We'll have a chat later then. I thought we were. Maybe in really small letters. Yeah. I'm on Discord. We'll click on Gold. We'll check on Gold membership. Yes. You get a one-on-one with me. One hour a month. Yes. Ez popped. Oh, there we go. We're talking Germany now. I'm loving it. Correct. Sean, Lucas, cult member. People are literally saying it. They're literally saying I'm in a cult and I'm fine with it. Yeah. That'll annoy the trolls. They'll hate that. They'll absolutely hate that. They'll go, literally, people are literally saying now they're in a cult. These stupid people that follow Martyn losing all their money. They'll literally say that. They'll say, they're literally saying now that they're in a cult. This is how bad it's got. They'll literally say that. Oh, God. You just can't make this stuff up, can you? Anyway. Hi, Martyn. My initial purchase of Space SPCX were 140. Since the FIFO principle applies to me, I have to sell the first. That's correct. I will. Yes, correct. Help ticket. Yes, create a help ticket. That's right, Liz. Liz is right. This way, Def Gaming. Maybe in.
Alex Zaji,
you found one.
484 gifted Uncle Alert X 440 jewels.
You found one.
Uncle Alert.
I'm loving it. Yay! No one's found the XRP one. Do the XRP one. I like the XRP one best. The XRP one's is good. You know the little the little DJ. Find the DJ one. Where's the DJ one? I'm part of the Martyn Lucas investor cult village marketplace. Many Germans today. Don't overdo it, Liz. It's like 3. Many Germans today. 3. Don't overdo it, Liz. It's 3. Will do, says Baron Von James. I love that. That's a good name, isn't it? Baron Von James. Bloody hell. That's serious, isn't it? Google Earnings could give me information about where to spend my cash. Spend their cash. Should we cover it? Oh, we're talking German. Oh, the chat is full of German. You should be called Smartin. Why is that? Sensei as a new new baby energy. Yeah, that'll soon go. Don't worry about that. Is McDonald's a good and it'll be in the crash. I've not reviewed McDonald's recently. I've got to be honest. PLNT. I'm going to write that down. Planet, whatever it was. Planet Dewberry. Where is it? Come here, you bugger. Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. Yeah, what's it? PLNT. Write the ticker symbol down. PLNT. There you go, got it. All right. Choose the same name is better, of course. Absolutely, Liz. I don't know why people don't do that. Right, Coca-Cola going down, SpaceX, and there's nothing there yet. Crypto, nothing. No, rubbish. Can't do anything yet.
Frankie Lariba 1780 gifted Turn It Up X 800 jewels. Turn it up.
XRP! Someone found the magic one. That's one of the magic ones today. Oh, I'm loving it. Love it, said Murderous Monkey. Best shirt ever. I want it. I do. Everybody wants it. Is that going to be it? I'm in a cult. It's better than yours. I can't put that on a t-shirt. That's the best t-shirt ever. If you like that, say yes. If you like that, say yeah. I think that's brilliant. Asti up 7%. John Granford, nice one, mate. Hey, Martin. So did I get correctly? Am I in Discord with you now? XRP bound. I don't know. What's your Discord username? How am I supposed to know? Why do people ask me questions like that? They go, am I in Discord? I don't know. What's your name? Well, I didn't tell you that. Is it the same name, XRP bound? Am I supposed to go and search Discord for XRP bound? Am I? What am I supposed to do? I don't know, do I? Give me your username. God. Crypto Savage. I'm Martin, I'm at work. What's the super chat for? I asked everyone if they wanted Sensei at 3 o'clock in the morning to cover the carry trade rate decision in next week, and I said it's 3 o'clock in the morning. If everyone gives a 99-cent super chat, we'll do it. That's what I said to him. I said, and some people did it, and some people didn't.
At 1,970, a Buckley gifted Girl Power X 300 jewels. Girl Power.
Girl Power! It is time for Girl Power. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Here on the show, on the Day Trader Show, it's time for the Girl Power. Did you know? Did you know? 13.8% women watch the show. Most channels have 1%. Most channels have 1%. I'm a little bit out of time, but don't worry about it. This is Girl Power. We have 13.8%. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. It is Girl Power. That'll do. Well done. You found another one. You found another one. Very good. Not doing that again. The broken bridge cult. Turn it up. Turn it up. You made it, Melanie. Well done. Melanie? What? You made it, Melanie? What do you mean you made it? Oh, hello. Here's Melanie. Here's Melanie. Hi, Martin. Melanie here. My request went through. The issue was a Discord UI bug on some PCs. The onboarding screen cuts. What? The onboarding screen cuts off the questions. Zooming out, fixed it. Yes. So, Melanie, have you applied then? I'm doing it now. We got the stage event in a minute. Where's your application? If you can see it, where is it? Where is it? I'm looking at it. What's your username? I don't see Melanie. I don't see you apply to anything. Oh no. Oh, Melanie, is this you? Hang on, is this you? Melanie, I see it. I want to learn about trading and investment strategy. Is that you?
MW70 has become a member.
Melanie 59179. Is that you? Tell all the German people how to fix it. Melanie, I'm going to onboard you now. Ready, Melanie? Here we go. Melanie from Germany is joining the German ladies. We got more German ladies now than Italian ladies. Right. Probably less than American ladies. In fact, I think we got more German ladies now on our Discord server than any other server in the world. So here we go, Melanie. I'm dropping in your questions right now. We're going to fast track you because the stage event's in 20 minutes. We've got to hurry up. Melanie, this is for you, Melanie, from Germany. We want more German women on our chat, on our thing, on our Discord. Right, Melanie, there's the message. There's that. I hope this is you. If this is somebody else, I'm going to go, right, flipping idiot. She's going to go, that wasn't me, that was somebody else. Right, upload video. Boom. There's the video. Let me give you your voice note. Boom. There is the voice note. Yes. There it is. Right, Melanie, I hope that was you, because if that wasn't you, I feel like an idiot. And that was all pointless. People are sending me messages going, yeah, I want the cult t-shirt. I love it. Never thought I'd sell a t-shirt with I'm in a cult on it. And I'm the cult leader. I mean, that's just brilliant, isn't it? If you think about it. Best job in the world, isn't it?
At Cryptoffice Savage tipped $2 through Super Chat. Okay, Sensei, let's go.
There you go. That made up for 2 people. There you go. Let me do this. Congratulations, you are in. There you go. Let me do this. What was your name? This was Hans. Hans got in. Hans from Germany. Everyone's from Germany. Germany's taking over. Germany's taking over. As long as they don't beat us in the football, I don't care. Germany's taking over this morning. Was that Melanie? She hasn't answered a question yet. I don't know if it's her yet. It might not be. Hang on a minute. For all the Germans. Here we go. I would like to welcome in all the German people here today on my channel, especially the ladies. We've got more German ladies now on our American Discord server than any other server in the world. I don't know that for a fact. I just made it up because it sounds good and it's probably true, to be honest. Anyway, welcome all German members and guests to the party today. It's lovely to have you here. Just make sure that we don't play you in the football. Apart from that, we're best friends. Love it. Here we go.
Ich möchte alle Deutschen hier heute auf meinem Kanal begrüßen, ganz besonders die Damen. Wir haben mittlerweile mehr deutsche Frauen auf unserem amerikanischen Discord-Server als auf jedem anderen Server weltweit. Ich weiß das zwar nicht sicher, ich habe mir das einfach ausgedacht. Weil es gut klingt und wahrscheinlich sogar stimmt, ehrlich gesagt, aber wie dem auch sei. Willkommen an alle deutschen Mitglieder und Gäste bei der heutigen Party. Schön, dass ihr da seid. Wir sollten nur besser nicht gegeneinander Fußball spielen. Abgesehen davon sind wir allerbeste Freunde.
There you go. I've just made a really bad mistake and I have to apologize. Donda XRP. Hey, Martin, since you didn't get to do Hasbro, can I switch to Google? I am terribly sorry. My mistake. How did I not do that? What happened? What happened that I didn't do that? I am terribly sorry. Of course, I will change it to Google for you. So we're doing the Google earnings for Donda. He booked Hasbro, and I missed it. No idea how I did that. I'm really, really sorry, and I fixed it. I'll do it for you tonight. Absolutely. I can only offer my apologies. So I will go above and beyond. I'll do more. I'll do the 10 facts, make it even better. I'll do it even better. I'll put a lot of effort into it, and I apologize. I cannot believe I forgot to do your earnings. Sorry about that. So I'll make it up to you, okay? Yes, of course I will. Also, hello, we're talking German. I don't know what they're saying. He's talking German now. I ain't got a bloody clue. Oh, hang on. I can do this. Hang on. I can do this. I can click on it. I can go edit text. I can grab hold of it. Now I can run it through me software, and it can speak to me. Right, I'm going to find out what she just said. She just said something in German. Just said something in German. What did you say?
So, for all the Germans here having trouble with the onboarding, the solution is the control key and the minus key.
How about that?
Also, an alle Deutschen hier, die ein Problem mit dem Onboarding haben. Steuerung und Minus ist die Lösung.
There you go. We're solving problems around the world today. Yes, I'll buy it. Everyone wants it. Yes. I want a hoodie with bloody idiot on the front. And
At Diesel_Ada tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Bloody hell in German is verdammte Holle.
I want a hoodie with a bloody idiot on the front and I'm in a car better than yours on the back. Oh my God, that's funny. Do you actually, seriously want that? We've got the bloody idiot t-shirt. We've got the bloody idiot. Do you want me to make one? Right. This is how it works. If anybody wants a custom-made item, you do a $5 super chat. That's your pledge to buy it. And then I make it and you buy it. So Nosman, if you want me to make that, it's a $5 super chat. I will then design it, make it, and then you've got to buy it. And you've got to buy it. If you don't buy it, they'll be hell up. All right. So they'll be very upset with you. All right. So there you go. Girl power. There it is. Sorry, it's XRP bound. Okay, let me go have a look. Melanie hasn't done an application yet. I hope she hasn't. I hope it wasn't. I hope it was her. Oh dear. XRP bound. Okay, let me go and have a look. We've only got 15 minutes. We've got to go to the Discord event. So XRP. But there's no XRP bound. No. No. XRP bound. No. There is no XRP bound unless you've just applied. Have you just applied and it's in that list? Nope. No XRP bound, I'm afraid. You've not applied. I am quiet. Cleaning. Mum coming tonight. What's going on here? Yes, from September on, best weather then. Oh, everyone's having a conversation, doesn't involve me. Yes, it's me. Okay, well, Melanie, I just did it. You haven't answered it yet. I'm trying to get you on for the show. Go and answer it, Melanie. Go and sort it out, Melanie. That's how it works. Philip Cloth, that's how it works. Please, 1+1 Cuban girl. Oh, we got a Cuban girl at Fort Lauderdale. Yes, +1 Cuban girlie in Fort Lauderdale. I'm loving it. We got more ladies here now than with. Do you know what? We got more ladies here. I got to put my serious hat on. We got more ladies in. Right. I got to put me Peaky Blind. The ladies like this. The Peaky Blinders. So if we've got more ladies today, right? Girl power comes up. I got to put my hat on. That's the rules of the show. If we have more ladies, I've just made it up. It's a new rule. I've just made it up. If there's more ladies in the chat, right? If girl power comes up at the beginning of the show, here you go. New rule. New rule. When the show starts, if we get girl power, I'm going to get a girl power song better than the other one because the other one was Irish and I just jiggled it around. I'm going to get girl power music, whatever that is. And then I'm going to wear my Peaky Blinders hat. That means we got girls and that we got more ladies than we have blokes. Right? It's fair, isn't it? I reckon it is. We got a Czech lady. I'm working on two more you're working on 2 more? What's that? You're trying to what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word when you have a coat? You like what's the word when you have a coat? It's called, what's it called? You're trying to, what's the word? You're trying to sign up more people to the cult. What is it called? There's a word when you get people in. Indoctrinate. Yeah. You're trying to indoctrinate more people to join the cult. Oh, no, all the Germans talk to us. There you go. You can speak German, Liz. If we've got loads of German ladies, just speak German. Easy for you, isn't it? All right, there you go. Oh, yeah, what she said. Hey, Martyn, not really, but thank you. Yeah, do it. Talk German. I don't care. It works. Yeah. Sprechen Sie Deutsch. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut. Oh, hello, Martyn speaks German. He said he couldn't. He always surprises us. No problem. Thank you, Martyn. Yes, thank you for your understanding, mate. Appreciate it. Told you, browser. I always tell people, they never listen. Tesla and SpaceX merging. Yes. Well, that's not a surprise. Told you that about 2 months ago. We knew that. There's no surprise there, mate. There's no surprise there. We told you that. Right. Diesel is on more today. Yes, it should be in Danish then. Jürger in cult some and We do it in all language. Hey, Martin, so I sent you a friend request and you accepted it. You've not sent me a friend request, mate. You're not even on our server, mate. You're not even on our server, so you're talking to a scammer. That's probably what's got you blocked. Let me go and see. Let's see if you're on our banned list. It sounds like you're talking to a scammer because, anyway, XRP. Yeah. I've got Permable XRP. I've got JP XRP, but I don't have you. I don't have XRP bound. So let me go and look in my banned list. Are you a banned member? Have you been naughty? Have you been naughty? Server settings. No, you're not on our banned list either. That's good news. No, you're just not applying to be on the server. All right. And you sent a friend request to somebody. You've joined the wrong server, mate. I don't know where you are. Can you onboard me? Philip Clough. Philip Clough. Pending. Don't see a Philip Clough either. I see a Philip. 937. Is that you? So you guys don't tell me what your username is. Is that you, Philip? Philip 937. Is that you? I'm just going to guess. I want to be an insider and get the trades first. Oh, yeah, you've shared an email. Are you part of Sensei's newsletter? That's why you've sent it. Right, I can do you now, yeah. I'm assuming that's you. Let me add Sensei here. There you go. Because it looks like you're a newsletter reader. Right, I've got to go. We got the event now starting.
At a Belm. Tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. For Sensei. Thank you.
I'll get him on it. Don't worry. A Belm, we'll get him on it. I'll tell him we got $20 and he'll have to stuff it. He'll just have to get on with it, won't he? It's his job anyway. I can just tell him to do it. I'm his boss. Oi, get on with it. I don't work for you. You do now. Just get on with it. All right, then. I've got $20 here, mate. Buy some nappies for that. Upload. I don't speak to him like that, honestly. I promise I don't speak to him like that. Upload file. There we go. So, Philip Clough. I'm assuming this is you. You didn't tell... I don't know it's you. I've got no bloody idea. But anyway... I've just done a Philip Clough. All right. Okie doke. Liz, LOL, Girl Power. Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Madam B, another lady. We've got more ladies than men now. Liz, we've got ladies everywhere. The guys are loving this. They're thinking, bloody hell, this is a cool place to hang out. It's just there's more women than men. There'll be loads of guys coming around now. Who was from Cuba? Recruit. What does that mean? Recruiting. Why are you saying these? Oh, recruiting. That's it. Recruiting. I'm thinking, why are you saying that? Recruit. Yeah. What have I missed? Been a busy day at work. Big Burn. You missed everything, mate. Proselytize. Proselytize. Ooh. Have you been proselytized? Come on, blokes. Rally up. The ladies are making us look bad. I'm loving it. Albert Einstein, German. What's that got to do with it? I would buy that shirt. Recruiting. There we go. We are recruiting to our cult. Let me see. SpaceX. No, nothing to buy or sell yet. Initiation. That's it. I'll have a Peaky Blinder. Great show, Martin. Thank you, mate. Thank you, John. I love this channel and the people here. It's good, isn't it? You like it more now it's full of ladies, though, be honest. He was Philip with numbers. Well, that's helpful, isn't it? Hey, what? Look at that. Liz goes, He was Philip with numbers. You can't just go, my username on Discord, Martyn, to search for is Philip12345. I could search for that. No. What I actually have to put up with, what I get is, Philip says, I've applied. Have you seen it? No name. And then Liz comes in. Maybe it's a German thing, because all the Germans are causing me problems. Liz comes back and she says, he say Philip with numbers. Philip with numbers? What, just guess the numbers? What the hell is that? In a minute, it's all the Germans. It's always the Germans. In a minute, someone's going to come back and say, have you onboarded me on Discord yet? No. Well, what's your number? I use my phone number. Right? What's your phone number then? Just a load of numbers. Any particular order? Any particular number? In any particular... Are we doing odd numbers? Even numbers? A prime number thrown in maybe? I mean, what? Why can't you just tell me your bloody name? It's not hard, is it? It's not hard. This shouldn't be hard, should it? It's the Germans. Yeah, that's me. Philip, thank God for that. It's Philip with numbers. Philip, I've done it, mate. I'm waiting for you to apply. I'm waiting for you to answer the bloody questions. Oh, God, this is a nightmare. I don't know why I bothered. The Germans always give me a hard time. It's always the bloody same. You got more than 20 bucks for Sensei, have I? 30. I'll give him 30 bucks then. I got recruited, forced to wear a badge. That's right. I told you it was a cult. You will wear the bloody badge. I don't want a badge. Do I have to wear a badge? Yes, you have to wear a badge. I don't want to. I want to be in Discord as some kind of anonymous roamer. I just want to roam around Discord with no badge. Have a badge. You're having it. Yeah, but I don't want a badge. I just want you to tell me how to get rich. I'm not doing it. I'm only doing it for people who wear badges. So I have to wear this silly little badge. And then I'm like, in your cult, am I? Well, if I wear a silly little badge, will you tell me when Tesla's going to go up? Yes. Okay, I'll wear the badge. I got recruited and forced to wear a badge. Martyn, the T-shirt is an icebreaker at the pub so we can tell them what stocks to buy. That's it, innit? That's it right there. No, he told us the numbers. I can't scroll back. You missed it before. Oh, did he? Oi. Don't tell him your name. Don't tell him your name. Germans, I would now leave the server. I'm Greek. Oh, for God's sake. Look, 1 minute we're German, next minute we're Greek. What nationality are you? Do you know what? I've lost the will to live. I don't care anymore. This whole thing's gone stupid anyway. I want nothing to do with it. I want nothing to do with this. I'm going to set up the event on Discord. For God's sake, if I'm honest, I'm bored. If I'm honest, how may I help you? Someone's just set up a bloody ticket. How may I help you? Oi. There we go. God, Mike, here. I've been watching your show for about a month. Starting out trading, I want to get better. Feel for anticipating the way the market will go. All right, Mike. Let's let Mike in, shall we? Should we let Mike in? Bloody hell, what's this like? Right. No more Germans. No more lady Germans. No more guessing numbers. Let's get back to business. We're going to become professional now. We're going to start being a professional YouTube outfit. No more larking around. No more messing around. No more silly music. We're going to be serious now. Right? There's no more of it. Right? Mike, I've taken care of you, Mike. Right. Anybody else? Are we done? DD. Learn trading. Right. DD, I've processed you. You've been processed into the cult. The main, you've been processed. You've got to wear a badge. Geneva, you haven't replied back yet. You're about to get thrown out. Rubbish. You didn't reply. You get no badge. Rowit, you've been processed. You're going to wear a badge, whether you like it or not. That's it. I think I've done everyone. Melanie didn't even respond after all that. Oh, Melanie's typing. Melanie's typing. Melanie is typing. I can see her. This is going to be good. I'm going to get her in. We're going to get her in, and we're going to do it. Right. Kim, Cardo Jim, you haven't replied yet. You're about to get kicked out. I don't mess around. People say to me, I got kicked out. It's because you didn't respond. It's your own bloody lookout, isn't it? If you don't respond, I'm kicking you out. I'm not a nice person. Don't think this is a nice thing. If you mess around, you're out. Yeah. Antonio, you haven't answered either. You're about to get kicked out. Philip from Germany, Mr. Guess My Number. He hasn't responded. He's going to get kicked out. Let's kick all the Germans out. We kicked him out of the World Cup. Junior, he hasn't responded. And the last one is Damn. That's a good name. Damn. And he's not responded either. Rubbish. There we go. Melanie was typing. She's still typing. Taking a bloody long time. Hello. Well, I'm paid on YouTube. What's all that about? Eagle John. I need to explain something to Eagle John. Hi, Eagle John. This is Martyn Lucas. Discord and YouTube are separate. This is Discord as completely different services. You say you're a YouTube a member. That's different. That's YouTube. This is Discord. On Discord, you need to become a subscriber to get these services. If you just want YouTube, you've already got YouTube as a member. If you're if Electra member, then you get all of my trades. What Discord does is provide you a community completely separate. You can always try it for a month. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. But they are different, completely separate services. Thank you very much. There you go. I've explained it. Right, Melanie's answered. Up. Answer number 1. Correct. Let me set up the Discord event. She's got 3 questions to get right. She's typing. She's thinking, I want to get on the event. Let's get Melanie on the event, shall we? Melanie on the event from Germany. Philip, no numbers. And Melanie, Control C. Yeah. From now on, Melanie will be called Control C. Uppercase Control C. Stage channel. Here we go. Stage event, stage channel. What's your event? Are you ready for launch? We'll start it at 10:15 because we're talking to people. I mean, it is what it is. There we go. Upload a cover image. I'm uploading a cover image. Got to do that. There you go. There's my cover image. Apply that. Create that. Set that. Press that. Push that. Roll that out. Right, done it. There's the event. Come on. There we go. Copy link. Copy link. Stick that in the place where I stick things. Announcements. There you go. At everyone. Are you ready? Gladiators, are you ready? Right, there you go. That's there. That's the event. There's people already waiting, going, what's going on? I can't believe it. Melanie, up. Answer number 2. Yes, correct. Number 3. Up. Yes, correct. Melanie's about to get in. I'm about to let Melanie in from Germany. Not Philip, no numbers. Melanie Control C. Everyone's going to call her that now. She's going to go, I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. I joined this bloody server and now I'll get everybody calling me Control C. Yep, that's happening. You can't stop it. It's a cult and you're going to wear a badge. I could make a joke there, but I'm not going to. I could make a joke there, but I'm not going to. A really good joke. Really good joke. I just watched a film with Liam Neeson in it, in black and white. Anyway, you wear a badge. Right. Is that too much? Is that too much for a financial channel? Bit risky? Bit rude? It's comedy, isn't it? Is there any limit to comedy? I mean, what's his name? Ricky Gervais don't think so. Anyway, Melanie. Upload file. I'm like jumping the gun for her a little bit. I'm being nice. Shouldn't do it, but I am. Congratulations, you're in. She's thinking, what? This has never happened before. Well, it's never happened for you because you're new, aren't you? Let's have a look. Right. All right, there you go. Right. Good sport all round. Drum roll, please. Now presenting. Congrats, Melanie. Took forever since yesterday. Pro member here. This is starting to feel like a pro stage event. Thank you, buddy. Boats by John. Okay. I'm Eagle John. Are you Eagle John? Well, what did I do? Oh, Eagle John. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Eagle John. You just came in. Eagle John. This is what he does. Eagle John, everybody. Look, here he is. I'm Eagle John. Boats by John. So he comes in Discord, and I present him with the questions, right, and the video. So he watched the video, give the questions. Guess what he says? He doesn't give the answers to the questions. What he does go is, hello. Well, I'm paid on YouTube. Yeah. So I replied back to him and went, well, you heard what I said. You know, I was quite rude about it. I went, listen here, Eagle John, right? This is Discord, mate. This ain't YouTube. This is Discord. You know, the clue would be in it's Discord, right? You know, it's like if you walk into McDonald's and say, I want to buy a car. They go, what? Yeah, well, I'm a member of Ford. Are you? This is McDonald's. We sell burgers. Well, I want to buy a car. Well, this is McDonald's. It sells burgers. Yeah, but I want to buy a car. Well, I suggest you get it out of my shop and go down to the car garage. He's going, sorry. He's in the chat going, sorry. He's literally writing, sorry. He says, I'm sorry. It's okay, mate. Don't worry. It's all good banter. Eagle John's going, hey, Eagle John, I'm live on YouTube telling everybody the story. Don't you worry about it, mate. It's all good. It's all good. Don't you worry about it. But I appreciate the sorry, but we're having a good laugh on YouTube, so it's all good, mate. Do what you want, mate. Oh, God. Right. Space is pumping. Is it? No, it's not. Why do you keep saying these things? It's up 0.34. Actually, no, I'll give you that. It's not a crypto, is it? I'll give you that. Coca-Cola, damn it just keeps going down. Right, it's time for thingy. I like you. You can't bust my balls, he said. I just did. Live on YouTube for the old world to see. The old world to see. He's going, you can't get me. I just did, didn't I? Didn't I just do it? Anyway, Eagle John, you're gonna miss the stage event because you haven't signed up. So too late. Right, here we go. Stage event starting now. It's time for the event. So end this. Right. Now, if you've enjoyed this, I'm going to now set up, because I'm going to go Discord right now. I'm going to give you all the repeat of this from the beginning. Those that tuned in late, the carry trade breakdown, if you missed it. So the live now, full carry trade deep dive. For those of you that missed it, for those of you that missed the beginning, right? Here is the carry trade deep dive. Hang on. Yeah, that's right. I was forgetting something then for a minute. Right. So what I'm going to do now, you're going to see a bit of magic. Watch this. There's the pin. It's put at the top, but watch this, folks. I'm now going to go into the back end of my studio. It's called YouTube Studio. And I'm going to click on this event now. I'm going to add it to the Restream playlist. All right. So you're going to be able to see from the beginning what you just missed. Not like Bloomberg TV, same video every night. They've been playing for like years. Every night. I can't believe they still get away with it, but they do. Lazy. So I'm going to go into here and I'm going to go this live stream you're watching now is about to play from the beginning in the extra channel with live chat, with live people watching it from around the world in different time zones, so you can chat to your mates all about the carry trade and see what you missed, right? So now we're going to go save. That's in there. Yeah. Done. Now watch this. Here's the magic. Here's the magic, right? Because it is magic, let's be honest. Now we're going to go over here and you're going to see the extra channel. Now Sensei's talking right now. Rubbish. Who wants that? Nobody wants it when you want it, right? So what we're going to do, watch this. I'm going to go over here to... Actually, I'm going to do something I've never done before. You ready? Who wants to go behind the scenes and see the magic? You want to see the magic? I'll show you the bloody magic. I've never done this. Well, we tried it out yesterday. Where was it? Was it general? Airplay? Continuity. Here we go. Here we go. Watch this. So I'm going to do something we tried it yesterday for practice and now I'm going to do it. So camera. Right. Look at this. Watch. Oh, we're now going to go over to the extra channel. There is the extra channel computer. Right. Shift my microphone. I might go off microphone a little bit. Right. So over here, that is the extra channel. Can you see that? The other computer. There's all the sound processing. There's all the good stuff. Right. So what we do is we go over here. This is the extra channel. And I click escape like that. This is the separate thing. This is what Bloomberg do, but rubbish, because they play the same old rubbish every bloody day. Right. And then what we do is we refresh the screen. We refresh the screen. It adds the playlist. It adds the event I've just added. And over here, you'll see there's the playlist. Look, there's the carry trade right there with live chat. You see it? It's playing it now. Look, it's playing me, playing you. Well, that's not confusing at all. I take it back to the beginning. Take it back to the beginning. That's the carry trade right at the beginning. And I click this button here. Do that. Do that. Live chat. And you can see all the chat live. Right, there it is. Now playing over there. Now I come all the way back over here. And now I will, that's behind, look, this is what's going on in here. Look. Look at that. This is what's going on that you can't see. Look at that. Cameras everywhere, stuff everywhere. Oh my God, it's a bloody nightmare, isn't it? Right, so there you go. There's my auto cue. There's my camera. Look behind that. See it, look? Clever, isn't it? Right, so now what I'll do is disconnect this. Disconnect. Back to here. Back to here. Back to over here. This is the extra channel. Bring it up to speed. Watch this. Live. Look, the carry trade. What you just missed from the beginning. Right, so I'm going to go on Discord. We're going to have a laugh. We're going to take the mickey out with all our German friends. Mr. Peter Numbers and Melanie Control C. Melanie C from the Spice Girls. Melanie Control C. Perfect. Perfect. Girl power, innit? Spice Girls, innit? Right, perfect. So there is the link from the beginning of the carry trade. It's going to have the countdown and everything. There it is. Go there now. Everybody else join me on Discord. Let's have a laugh. That's it. Spot on. I'm looking to see Melanie C. Melanie Control C. Brilliant. And Peter Numbers from Germany. And they've all got to wear a badge. Right. That's it from me. Everybody, I'll see you over on Discord in 10 seconds. Everybody else, stay where you are. It'll take you automatically to the extra channel. That's right, innit? Did I set that up? Oh, God. Now I'm thinking to myself, did I set that up? I did, didn't I? I always set it up. I always do it. Then I always double check myself. Yes, I have. Right. That's it. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you on Extra Live, recap of the carry trade, and see everybody over on Thingy-majiggy for Thingy-majiggy Discord. Bye-bye.